Jamaica is in a better place right now to the day. You understand it's Andrew Holness? No, it's Portia Simpson Miller. The woman are convinced me say Portia Simpson made the overhead bridge a 3 mile.
That's queer shit.
You know when she get blue, this black woman get blue, is when they see me, the band on my hand say choose Jamaica. She said, oh yeah, one of them. I said, one of them? They say, I choose Jamaica. Them of Jamaica. And I would never vote for your party. You know? Me ain't no friend then. She walk out of the room. These people are telling people that Jamaica is in a better place today, the PNP them. But yet still, they don't want to accept it that it's a Jamaica Labour Party that is doing the work.
Them shame.
Them shame.
Them shame, man.
And I listen and I look at the people them. I look at all of us was looking at each other in the room. And I'm like, you understand what you just said a while ago? And I'm laugh. I say, yo, that's
you know the problem is if PJ a little
that's what Taylor was talking since night, right?
Doing now.
When Taylor was talking since night, right? Evening. And she was talking to Navi. And this man come out of the blue. This man come up of the blue and start about his father 70. You will say dinosaurs, and if they say how things worse are getting worse no more than man, are you kidding me? People now go tell you just let me make a coach go up on them top no more. People not back from go be everybody are going to the shower about number one. People not
how much young people can buy house now?
No.
All right, happy. You remember when me jump off earlier?
Yeah.
But in the 12 o'clock when me jump off. All right. You know what I say? I jump off, I go look for something for come back on the platform and go see over DJ, I see DJ Riley live and one man, one labor right over there make one PNP boy a chat a bag of things. And me I say, oh, comes him dep and this so and him a talk the facts I make the boy I make him shut him out and him a jump from another limb and boy I tell him shut him out. I say DJ Riley take me up. Him no want to. I say DJ Riley Herald down here take me up. When him take me up, I say hey boy stop right there. Don't go next foot further. You see when me done with him and KK left over here and come over there. Him could even talk. He mute him mic for about an hour.
Yeah man. Herald. At the same thing I thought because happy girl, happy did the pan here and Mona. And everybody the pan, you know. And Chewy Taylor, Navia put on it on them and put, you know, the good thing go to make that just choke and everything and I line with the answer there. He jump up in the can and talk good morning, good afternoon, everybody. My father is 70 years old and my father said this is the worst time he ever seen in life. And then we said, come on for your son and I'm going. When you come out with this affair, he said,
because him father now get no more freeness at the worst time in his life.
People say father dinosaur.
The father that all dinosaur. Give the young people them a chance, man. Give the young people them a chance. But this girl come up there said that all dinosaur. That's one of the song for mother song. Mother, where the ugly woman. Mother song. When a mother sang so get way too. Me don't know when me sign him.
Janet,
oh, me and Merla friend. I was she woman a chance. Me say me and Merla too second cousin. Come on fire so me no carry out.
Everybody say me for go look for G-keeper for one woman. Can't find G-keeper nowhere. Yeah.
Me say a mother sang say no by here. So saying this a boy come with the dinosaur.
Yeah, cause I tell him so a woman named Merle go over our platform.
Thank you for that, Donald.
I know. People I know. Thomas, you must say you will come up.
As you say,
yes, G keeper. I have to say yes. I'm
Step up the screen, guys. Step up the screen. Double tap. Share the live.
But you don't have
No, no, what am I going to do? No, what am I going to do that? Me can't bother.
Gatekeeper, all when me show the people all my constituencies steer. The people, boy, me the people lie. But them know Trenchtown. I'm say, oh, Trenchtown steer, them can't explain. Merlin, them things that Trenchtown, they pass Spanish Town Road like Pienland.
Them not no sense, you know, Trenchtown.
To them here about building.
Yeah. I
tell them to come up Cali Smith Drive and hope you don't fall in on a rock in the road and dropping on a shit water.
Yeah. Water ever run come down there, so.
You from Trenchtown now, because it look like so you Caesar like you need help, but you see me need help, but you see me with me in America, I know some mental health is real. So it look like you need to get some help and they advise you.
Caesar, you know, come from North Trenchtown.
No, where's the moderators? Please, somebody tell me.
Caesar branch yard mash down, long time cross the gully. No branch yard not dead again. Long time branch yard mash down. Before I'm born 75 branch yard mash down. I hear about branch yard, I have some family come from branch yard. Lie you tell Caesar.
Let's stop around with Caesar.
No, I lie Caesar tell branch yard, assess come out of branch yard and assess a labor right. Be a labor right, come out of branch yard. At the wrong point, Caesar got touch.
Cheryl still there down there.
I saw them looking online, man. I saw PMP.
My moderator still down there.
And one of the branch live right behind me, and one live a Waterford. You see me where my brethren, my big man brethren.
Cheryl down there. I just see Cheryl a while ago. I was she there? I don't see her.
Caesar branch yard mash down long time, and you can't tell me where branch yard is there.
Just click on the name and mute the people.
No,
you can't take me down, Merle, and put up somebody. Give me about 15 minutes.
Navi, you see how them like?
Yeah.
Branch yard mash down before me born. I'm born 1975.
Hey, Errol, when you talk at the place where you can rock this by the arm, hold on.
Hey.
Round down a 3rd Street, but I'm on West Road.
All right, hold on there. When you can walk at the fire station.
The gas station build back, the Mali them build back the gas station, it open.
I like the gas station open.
Hold on,
The gas station open.
I tell you that about 2 months ago.
You don't know say it open. I mean, say over there look nice then.
Yeah, right beside the fire station, the gas station build back.
Yeah, man, make happy.
And then you have a car mart. You have a car mart next to the gas station.
Really?
Up West Road. Yeah, as an build a big complex. Right side in front, Kings Jamaica, in front Remand Center. For go up in a roast town, as an build a big.
Okay. That's what Milan. What Milan cross some where them Horizon.
Cross from Remand Center, Horizon.
No,
Big Remand.
Go right back up.
That is open land, they right it to the past, Mother Bridge, the White Bridge and come up.
Right a bronze, that's all. Right a bronze.
We hold on there. The man did have when you doing the latter the time there. In them the time there. Before you ban the man doing the latter that place there. Then things of things Jamaica over there, so and then just
so across the road from things Jamaica.
Right. Me pension me to cross.
All right, Metro I got by Brown's building right as you come on Matter White Bridge there, so. Metro I got them Jamaica fiberglass product. And right beside there, so as and by the battery place, as and by and the garage. And that bill goes straight back up in a row store. Products, as and by and the garage.
Then them have a taxi nothing and one.
And out of Spanish Town Road, like you go back out to 6 Mile.
Bless him, my family from Anchovy.
A nice plaza out there, so like you go back to Town Road.
This man at about him got plan a basis school. Plan a basis school no mash up before my born. He might call some name when mash up from Porsche Simpson mash up. Branch them run out of branch yard. When she mash up Bash and Peng and reach right at 3rd Street and Cali Smith Drive can and couldn't come over to the building.
You have no wheel and come again, Papa. You have to go on. I want you earth create and you're lucky.
Guys, stop up the screen. I forgot 300.
G-Keeper, here this man ever asked me, what start the war in Trenchtown? You remember 1977 eviction day? Then you shut your mouth if you remember eviction day.
I think what with the dinosaurs brain, making go sit down with dinosaurs brain.
1977 eviction day, since you say you come from Boya, let me bring you that.
Making go sit down with dinosaurs brain.
But has overrun Rima. Sending the police first and then the supporter them come. I throw the nurse and the teacher and all of them civil servant people labor rights. And when time the police them from Denham Town police station come up now. Sending the police and then the police and the shot of them take them on. The whole of them and one was unalive. During that time, my sister get a shot in her leg at 2-year-old. I got 3-year-old. And now gonna further than this. The police them cut them do too much stain in a vein. In her leg at 2-year-old. I got 3-year-old. And now gonna further than this. Make can't turn PMP, them do too much stain in a vein. Caesar, you're a big man, go find someone better. You're a keyboard warrior.
You don't find him over here?
Boy, you come from branch yard. But what water cause it war? Go ahead. You got water where you trench on your shot of water.
Sometimes you have to answer them. Answer them, Errol.
You don't run him like a Merle. I don't want Merle block him. Boy, run him and want to expose him. And him make punch yard, that be a labor right come from
labor right
yard.
people. Tap the screen, please, and thank you.
Yes, miss.
Mona,
Yo.
the people that come from branch yard can't change.
Yeah.
You hear me say? I be a Labour Party worker them. A Winter Hill worker them.
With my master. You hear me say?
The band come here the history about branch yard.
Where's it?
Toto branch, coffee branch, the whole of the branch them. I'm Brother Babu. Brother Babu, the father branch. Branch yard a revival yard.
In the comment that asks about health, water and electricity, make I explain this to you. Jamaica health sector is the best it has ever been and still working on. The water project, the government have a $45 billion water project in ongoing right now. And please go and ask PJ Patterson and Philip Palwell why they sell out JPS.
But him live water war in a branch yard. Trenchtown never out of water. Branch yard a labor right. Branch yard a revival yard. Branch yard people them run behind Siago. You know, come tell me where you come from branch yard, they don't know the history. Where with the lions, if you know somebody talk about branch yard.
Yeah.
What the number on the box?
And now the branch them live border. And the branch them a strong labor right.
227 107 305.
I went Toto branch, I myself him there downstairs there. Or Toto branch there. If Toto branch never do downstairs, all when him blind, I bring the phone to him and make him run off of the line. Them should have make a dam in your throat hole.
Guys, you don't tap up the screen. Errol, seems to that text the error.
Him them not tap up the screen, but him want come turn keyboard
Still a
warrior.
type, yeah.
Okay, so you it's scream at top, auntie. Scream at top.
Actually, I don't want, you know. If I'm with me and watch him.
Mister, the wall over there so was labor right, 12 shilling house, a Bustamante place. So when you talk about branch at a Bustamante place, the first prime minister, all right, that's how Bustamante used to go easy back in a branch yard. The one yard. Every labor right to come from Trenchtown or the history of branch yard. When you're not liar, nobody no respect and honor phone up. Because lie cost people life and chaos.
Yeah. Because sometimes them people tell lie upon people, they even live to explain. They even live to explain themselves to say a lie. Yeah.
But him at 59 years old. But him born 1966.
Big old dinosaur, you two.
Yeah, liar, branch yard mash down, long, donkey years branch yard mash down. Long time branch yard mash down. Boy, you live a branch yard with a liar itself. How much of the tree limb you live pan?
You should have live a meadow rest, you don't have waste space in Jamaica.
You know long. How much of the tree limb you live? They live in a.
I know Errol a root yard, him should have live underground.
Boy, Errol.
You say, all right, you say the youngest surviving member out of branch yard. Him about 70-year-old. And none of them pity them not born in a branch yard and him name Cess. And the whole of that them and they pity them are progressive people. And the people I never know if them are PNP or labor right. This man can't come tell me nothing. I told me can't talk certain things about the live, yeah. Can you see over there, sir? I have some weird family who talk about them in a badness and them run things.
I tell you. Errol cuss the people. Errol cuss them, Errol.
No PMP not come from branch yard. Nobody was born in a branch yard can't turn PMP. You hear me say Merlin? Nobody will come from branch yard can't turn PMP. Low labor right.
I road, me sit down, me down road.
You see all my godfather, Mr. Blackwood, and him son Boyak, are people for reckon with.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, Mighty.
Yes, Mighty.
Mighty, you come late.
No, man, a long time I don't get man a moderate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, you come from branch yard. No PMP no come from branch yard. And there's a see I go get RDN. There's a see I go get RDN as a revivalist. If you come from Trenchtown and you don't know your history, all type of people come here, say them come from Trenchtown, come tell you garbage.
Rub them out, Errol, rub them out.
I lie my
when I tell
branch yard, see I go get RDN. Where the revival church master come from?
Them give me high blood pressure over here. Gatekeeper on them.
Man, God.
Yeah, man. I said, what over here flare up, I couldn't take it, I can't.
When they left country and come to Trenchtown from and come, you could have got a branch and go get a good night's sleep. It come like restitution. Because it's a yard where like them feed all people. Everybody got a branch yard.
I know what I say. You know me like with my team. Everybody from my team here over here because them work. You know what time they get with us.
I don't work from morning. I get up and go spray the chair them and done and put them for and them dry.
I come over the dentist, you know, and the dentist if I come back earlier mornings, I'm sit down under the tree I cool out. Okay.
You're lucky you want to graduate from my school and come talk some foolishness. And then I'm town. How much people pay you come go then I'm town school? Mighty, you go then I'm town school.
Of course, I then I'm town, me go.
Alright, me go then I'm town school. Clover Thompson was my principal.
I can't bother. Shireen, you know, say the wisdom teacher when I say the woman got trouble. Take it out accidentally. If you feel when I say bother me, you know, the woman is supposed to trouble you know.
Oh, that must be.
Me say tomorrow I come tell us I'm gonna sue her when I come tomorrow. I want ceramic master come from Trenchtown and him pass away. You don't know no more. Right up on Cali Smith Drive, there's up after him yard back there. Because him yard there when they go around on 5th Street to go around to Daily Way.
Our man, I want like Errol know everything about the country.
Then no more.
I'm with Errol in Errol, I tell you everything, Errol.
Then no more.
Errol have it lock, stop and barrel.
Caesar, where don't request to come up into the box and come talk and stop time.
Hey, mighty woman.
All right.
Mighty woman, Mona. Come like Mona never get that one this morning. Mighty woman.
Yeah.
When Babes couldn't take the pressure this morning, Babes start again.
Just yapping.
When Babes hear the pressure this morning, so PNP no do nothing at all in the country. Here Babes a blood clot, lie them and tell PNP.
Hey, stop taking up links in your box, you know. Links are going to tell be a lion. They don't care about them shame him, can't talk.
Links come in my box, come drop me and my baby father if start cuss again.
No, but you know something I'll tell you, sometimes they make me get ignorant too. Come here, I wonder my user slaughter.
I want to tell you.
Darrell, you know I said this morning when I send out my daily prayer them, my prayer leaf at them, you know I send them out a morning time.
Yeah.
When I know I said Merlin that mama comes and go over TikTok and I share my screen. And I watch Merlin and see her a prayer and I preach and I talk about the pedophile them. As Merlin start put up our box them, there is this camera jumping a Merlin box. I tell Merlin about Andrew take money from around there, so man, Merlin, he go invite me over now, me go, I say Merlin, you don't have no sense or what? Me just wake up and 3 legs, don't have no woman. I met this man that come talk about around there, so man, I send call me. It look like you wake up with a man this morning and him tell you no.
And what things going over here this morning, Cheryl?
The big man come off on the platform and go and go find a woman, man. You kill this ass.
You not take links in my
box, man, and I run, man. All right, then, man, gone. So when you
take back links in my box again because look, must make me and my man kick off this morning.
Links come and talk to your foolishness.
When my man, I know Aaron not get to me, I try to tell him, you know.
Yeah.
He couldn't take the pressure this morning. Too much people left on my kitchen.
Errol.
You know when he get mad? Or when they go say jungle. Jungle crying. And turn bad. The man say, allow me to tell about man from Craigtown. I want to tell him about the Craigtown country. Allow me to tell about man place. One piece of something.
I'll be a dirty water running at the G and a Craigtown. That's how I go straight down around to Gully side.
He say, allow me to tell.
What's that? Allow me to tell him. Allow me to tell Errol.
He said, this is not the same place. You can't bother.
Errol, taxi me take go town, you know.
Well, Errol, you can't bother. I
run joke with my community when I want to see it fix up, you know. Because me and friend all go out over the constituency, you know. Me and family all go out over the constituency. Oh.
Why? I don't know. Oh, this is going on my two, man. Woman and man are going to left this election, you know.
Listen, let me tell you something. There is no development in Trenchtown. Some little people are trying to build some little concrete structure, to do them little business and so. You know, you have to have the little crab people them and so. You see me? And think some little people are sell all right as if you go turn, to go down, to come down to George Pang place, that's to 110 there, so. You have one little woman and sell her little clothes them. You see me? Water run past there, so. You see one little open land part there, so one yard will mash down. You see me? Clean it up.
I'm gonna go up on the topic there tomorrow again, please. Wait till after.
The man on the program here, yap off him back to the mouth.
Hey man, hey, come up, man, tell them when you come up and come on, lap up, bomb up,
We're not indecent language.
Come up for this. Take
Yeah,
it
because you never
Come
suck
say
your own yet.
indecent language.
When me there, yeah.
A boy them them Caesar, take him off of this. This is not year
If
one.
you come and I'm a
Talk
top
your
good
move
manners.
up, me see you in real life, you can't open your mouth to me.
You talk about with manners and respect. I hear how him come up and behave.
Palm people platform.
Like you're a bad man and you're a big waist man.
One finger 4 points back at you and it reach him.
You're a big old waist man. You come up here a boy where I chat to yap off them. Mouth to me. Yeah. Life and what me your mouth to me.
I want to go on over here, Cheryl.
I tell you, yo, man, you take a come up on the platform, you have to be decent, man. You
I come off let me know Earl.
You talk about with manners and respect and you have none.
You can't ask me about Earl.
You come up on top, man. You don't come up and a cuss and behave like that. This is not what this platform is about, mate.
You want to come up, you come up and say good
afternoon. I want to tell guys him come from Branchard and Branchard. I live there, Branchard, mash
when you come up here, you must come and say good afternoon, Merlin, or good evening, Merlin. Can I say something?
You better me answer, Cheryl.
Yeah.
Branchard on Portland. So if Branchard, I live there.
Nice. Tap up the screen. Go tell your friend them so them to go clean up. Clean up down a back to a decompose. I pay a body and garbage and all different kind of thing and shit and human shit. No tile it no down there. Down back to bathing water running on the road in the big old yard them down there. Tell them go clean up back to Majestic Garden. When I get up every day I talk about labor right and Andrew and this and that. When I go clean up down a bottom junk the way Errol I talk about because Errol know the whole of this. My belly. Somebody can buy me
Caesar, I want to see kind of man, you know. You can see that.
Me da eat some piece of cane, you know. I can't take the problem. Oh, you're tired.
Man, he said, I saw the girl. I saw
so start type.
Aye, if you know Errol, you don't want to know Errol, brother.
If I tell you,
me I want the
is a man like
I put myself.
Errol is a no nonsense man.
I put myself is a wrong thing you come then.
Me can't bother me head hurt me. Errol a drama.
You Jamaican?
Yeah.
What one?
Errol ordinary.
Yeah.
Errol ordinary man. You must
like Errol.
Sprat.
Errol. I saw my father name, man. My father name, you know. Errol. Errol, my father name. Daddy Ryan Errol. Two comrade, my two father, them are two comrade, them and my mother.
Caesar, man, you come up on the platform and disrespect people because you don't know.
So them stay, man. No, let me tell you something.
Be careful.
You know the reason why them come and do all of them things, yeah?
All of you say you live in a one bad man place. Be careful, Caesar, because you don't know who you disrespect. True. You can't come and deal with people like that. You come on the platform, you know come and go on, so. You don't know who you're this. You have to be careful, Parry.
Oh, go on. Yeah, man. We have a doctor? Oh.
Errol must go investigate about him.
Yeah, man, Errol go investigate. You don't know Errol turn already. Errol go watch out him profile. Errol no easy to see Errol later.
I two call Errol go make investigate.
Errol.
You have a big Caesar. I don't know what's spreading at the youth, may I tell you.
It hurt me from today, from in the house.
Where you stomach? Spreading the youth, man.
No, I went G-keeper course. I couldn't take it.
Greeting Nathaniel.
You know, G-keeper the best.
Yes, they are one little fellow down here in the constituency of Southwest St. Elizabeth. I move around and I make problem and spread bad information for my MP. Mr. Young man, in case you don't know, let me put you up to speed, brother. Then you give an account. Say you don't know nothing for slide. Let me keep you up to speed. When light green take over, when light green take over and loot up and you go back on in 2016. No road never in a slide. Not even one piece. A light green make people them in a slide can go in a giant go in a slide.
Hello, Diamond
Every
girl.
road just light green get every money when get we do road work in a constituency. The MP ensure in the road in a slide because of the condition of the road them inside there. We think the road program currently no light green MP ensure program it will be the second part program road of the constituency. In case you don't know me keep on up to speed. Run up and with propaganda upon the member of parliament. We like on the like on the farmers them because when you plant the crop and you make the money. Instead of no buy back the ceiling and the plant back the gun, one go. You got the rum bar, you got the rum bar and think you have the money doesn't blame the NP and blame rather.
Tap the screen, guys. Anytime we not get the 300 today, you know.
When you don't blame the MP and not blame rather, so you don't get nothing.
Tap the screen. Everyone gonna look for the boy. Mighty.
Yeah.
Where Caesar
then? You go sit down when you try to become on a business. And the propaganda and the member of parliament.
Still don't
Most road that is in a slide up to 2 years is done by the member of parliament. It's a light green. Why you don't call for the PMP court and we respond to the Black River Division when we nothing over there? Why you don't call for him? I know he will not elect myself when I call over there. Everyone I know them is a great picture of their the court I want to elect.
Hi, Diamond girl.
I want to see that you can't run the information about Uganda that cannot be helped to win. Because we will never win that seat. All we doing is creating more damage for veranda. Because the people that up with settle that now sit down on that veranda. Because nothing good, no the panic. She already declare war upon we here. We don't want nothing to do with her, because we not go up on our veranda. Not much up our walk on her.
Easy, Natty Morgan.
I dare anyone on who run up and down like the constituency at shot. I dare one on the video one single piece of road. Well, the current MP that was before Mr. Green left in the constituency going on. With a one single piece of infrastructure, then let go to have benefit put on up until today. I dare anyone on who run up and down like the constituency that tell like to do that. But challenge anyone on that I can go in the constituency now. And we do several infrastructure where Mr. Christopher Tuck and left give way. We have benefit me up until today. Do that legacy of Mr. Christopher Tuck and we try to steal. But it couldn't happen. Why you need to point on a phone where they do much years today? And point on a single piece of infrastructure when let go to benefit up until today. You can't do it.
I look at her because I remember when I was having my kids.
You cannot make sense to take the same thing you bring a fire club and turn up your Latin building in there. Because every time it's a wrecky.
God bless you. How long is the holding?
And one of the worst me a sentence that ever see.
One of the worst.
When you come and chat, eh? But them go on the video with them in a balaclava town, the prime minister part. Everyone of the them not they rotten down. And the mayor come from there. Mama me from right there to him division. The town, you know, and you look at the whole of the building that they are rotten down. Because that how them cheat the people, they don't care. They don't go care about their own personal gain.
One more. One? Last one.
The prime minister break ground today. For the Cayman economic zone. And when you look at the video, when it look like when it finish, you are telling them people, I want to drop out of my eye. The level of development of the prime minister bringing the country, moving Jamaica forward. These are the things why they hate the prime minister. Because the prime minister continue to show them up. And the Jamaican people understand that these are things that they could have done. But they never really concerned about that. They was concerned about them pocket and them own personal gain. Because the man is from us and he come from us and he suffer like us. And the man is doing what is right to uplift us from out of the struggle. That is the reason why they hate the prime minister. Because the prime minister do too much for the people.
No.
They're not interested in anybody who serve the people. They don't like
Nathaniel, you know, they get the prime minister for their ear, but the prime minister 28 bank account. They get heart
and
attack.
the prime minister don't have 28 bank account. The very same report that they run to and 40 the prime minister parents and the man assist and work and when farmer work at them account now the prime minister account accuse the prime minister. The prime minister will have 9 bank account. Being the same integrity committee and when they go turn up the integrity committee and create for the prime minister. Yes, that is what everyone sees we try to do. And that we charge the prime minister is something that don't belong to him. That's what they did when Prince Jamaica with the charge the prime minister is something that don't belong to him. When Prince Jamaica come out and left them, no, you know, see nothing here we charge the prime minister part. They make sure anyway they do they show around. Because she not interested in them corruption, she not a part of it, so then get rid of her. That is how them operate. So you realize that PMP run organize it and nobody know integrity commission. Yes, so you know, in the dirtiness of them, they're not interested in you, then get rid of you.
Mona, Olympic, where did over here get trouble? Hey, Mona?
No, man, no. Olympic, we are good labor right now.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. Go around here, go with the road up around here, the pretty road up around here. But what you do? You don't video the entire road, you go video where the one two patrol there where they on the road around here. That you go video and I walk and make problem. Why you never video the entire road? You go video the road up around here. But what you do? Now you go video them, you know, as if the road, no, the place now back up a road. All I do was road was built by supply grain. I green. The two little bit, not one God Almighty God thing. When you take over after book and then destroy it. Not never let in here. I miss a green earth around that I call it the Black River rebirth. No, never let in a Black River and go to bank let in a Black River when they ever transmission it when them done with Black River. That's why they never want no KFC build down here. And I hear the case Black River Cape that bill. But it was the EME run news back up and got fight till it took them on the businessman them in a Black River. They black people run out all of the bank owner them and let them friend them. That is why the bank and all of those that we check down and leave there. Water come it and run it out there. JPS. Run it out of black people. Because of them. And they pull
come over here and pull one teeth, you know. And then you pull my wisdom teeth, you know, because the woman mash up my mouth, you know. Mash up my mouth. You see the teeth, you see my wisdom teeth? Yeah. And it come to pull. And she said the teeth.
Oh, you know, don't know, come from one and care about the people.
No, she take it out. What is that? 3 months ago. Rascal, the old lady, she said the old can't heal.
I hear your conversation, Merlin, mute.
Merlin, I'd give me.
Just
to work hard, brother, me tell you. Anytime you can go in the constituency and be the one thing that pass up, I want to current MP that they have been put up and take it there. You can't come to me, come back and back data with me. But until you can come by to undecided,
my avenues. See you all on Sunday. Katrina good again. Whoa, roadblock. All kind of block. Jesus. See you Sunday. Yes, I'm a news. Election I go call after Sunday. You never know this?
Can't tell that.
Sir. Jamaica defense. Me might just come in at the politics, but you should always know this. Whenever East through, whenever St. Andrew and Kingston link up, that's when the election is called.
Stop the foolishness. Andrew will let me tell me say call it. Him can't call it unless him tell me.
Yes.
You know what my brother just come call me. Give me one.
Can't call you unless give me another year.
Listen.
Once I offer three, the election I got announced.
Once it reach offer 3, the election announced.
Yeah, that's true.
You never see election call in the parliament. Give me.
Because my friend, this Sunday gone. When you say cut ribbon, Desmond, cut ribbon.
Offer 3 no good again. Put on the green. Put on the green and black. Put on the green panty. Green brassiere. Green everything. And come out of offer 3. Because offer 3 no good. No more. You can't ask me that.
Alright, we have to go link up in a Kimmy. I got there now.
You can't come in my backyard and ask me if I go there in my backyard.
No, because I want to meet you in person. We have to know one another. Let's see.
They're taking right out of the car.
Labour rights election are called Sunday. And Dr. Michael Andrew Holness, because if you all ever know, Mark Golden promised the entertainment sector and the music persons that make music $1 billion. That was another promise was done in St. James. Yeah. So he promised $1 billion to them people there. So yeah. Me excited, me overwhelming.
Give me, I can tell you something. You see, the same time he make promise to them, in the same breath he tell them say promise is a comfort to a fool.
Me know that, but as I say, put on a green panty, on a green brassiere, on a green slippers, on a green pants, on a green shirt, on a green tie, on a green lipstick, on a green makeup, and just
well, I have a green Burberry underpants, are the only thing we have in a green right now.
Gonna come out of half a tree. Make sure it's on a bed there early because it go pack. And here, Mr. Sweet Sir, call the election. Election I got called before school open. So, I probably want to get it out of the way before school open. And school are open September 10th. Yes, son. Thank you, Bright Sparks. Yeah, school at open.
And the JLP will be in government to roll out the new school buses.
I'm excited. Well, I'm not excited. I feel like I'm out there, go past sky and come back down. I'm excited. At the first election, I'm so excited about. I don't know why. I have this buzz, this zeal, I'm so happy. I did have to be a labor rights. Because, ladies and gentlemen, Andrew has done it incredibly well. Andrew has set a pathway for us that we can see a future, and Vision 2030 is politely coming into place. Andrew has led us, the Jamaican people, from poverty to prosperity. And if prosperity means that you have to have money in the bank account to you, then you're wrong. My prosperity means my son will have a better future. That's what prosperity means to me, Kimmy. So it doesn't mean me having enough account. It means my son can travel safely to school. It means my son will have a better education because school will not be extended by 2 hours. It means my son can get a loan without a guarantor. It means I can sleep with my door open, as he had promised, because crime rate is at a 43% low. It means that there has not been no new taxes, so we can eat, sleep, and raise our families in Jamaica. It also means less persons are wanting to go to the United States because what? Andrew has made places for businesses, opportunities for factories, places for you to get an education and pay to get that education as well. My Prime Minister, one Andrew Holness, has given me a better Jamaica, what I wanted.
Why Kimmy selfish, sir? Why she not say our Prime Minister have given us?
Excuse me, I know about you. Is my Prime Minister?
Woman, I talk about our achievement.
Sir, is my Prime Minister.
You think this
our Prime Minister? Our Prime Minister.
Leave the woman, no?
Sir, me not leave woman. No dear, never leave a woman. Jamaica Defense Force, me not sharing my Prime Minister with your Fimi Prime Minister. Behave and calm down.
It's our Prime Minister.
But when you hear the woman that claims a man, leave the woman when the woman claims the man.
Right? I claim a good Prime Minister. I smell good Prime Minister. Me never yet
Sorry, Errol, me nah leave the woman and never leave a woman before.
Then tell the woman and leave the man. Stop claiming the man when the woman claims the man. Tell the woman say, thank you, Kimmy, baby. Our Prime Minister, and it done this, so won't be offended.
It's my Prime
Kimmy?
Minister. Yeah.
Kimmy?
Yeah?
What you say? They're having a meeting on Sunday?
Miss, big meeting, miss. Big meeting. Make I tell you about it. Listen, Mona. Listen. Mona.
Calm down. Drink some water and come back.
Boy. Mona,
Kimmy is lying. The JLP does not keep big meeting in Afro 3.
You remember 2020? No, let's graduate. You remember 2016? Where did the collection keep? Where did the announcement keep?
Kimmy, what they keep in Afro 3 is mass meeting, not big meeting.
Oh, you're right. Anyway, Mona, I'm educate you. So, Mona, Sunday. That Sunday, yeah? Tomorrow, Sunday, where they run around this around one part. My Prime Minister coming on for phone. Prime Minister, I got up on the stage, down at Afro 3, with him beautiful wife. And here was
the streaming live.
He will be saying, election day.
It's with the beautiful bell.
Anytime, what me know about election? Anytime election meet up at JC or Afro 3, at that time it called.
The kitchen table. Give me. They call me right from early wake me out of my bed. You come and make me talk to a man. We are talking about Andrew get round there some man money. And me wake up on 3 leg. Tell me now if it's right.
You didn't always come with something, Errol. Me not listen, Errol. You know something.
Tell me if it's right, Kimmy.
I'm tired of them, Errol.
Man, just come on the program and text me for me. Come talk to this man. We are talking about round there some Andrew get round there some man money.
You see the thing is, let me get to a serious note. You see the thing is, they are realizing that not only Damien Crawford is sinking the ship, but all of them is sinking the ship, and they are going to say so much things. And this 2025 election has been one of the most controversial elections I have ever experienced in Jamaica.
Thank you.
And the reason for that is because they have no comparison. They can't compare where they can't compete where they don't compare. You understand? They cannot compete intelligence with dons. That party is educated dons that is in that party. And I say that without apology. Educated dons. You have a party leader who so far, ladies and gentlemen, has shown us numerous of times that he cannot speak on the world stage for Jamaica. They have a party leader that shows us numerous of times that Jay and Ray and the nephew, they are bestest of friends. Yeah. You have a party leader that went to a ceremony and you said these words. You utter these words as the one to be prime minister. I met Andre. You utter those words out of your mouth. That's what you said. No, man, not what he said, but what you said. Then you have another person in your party that says, those buses are going to break down and analyze for people picnic. Then you have another one that teachers will now be extended by 2 hours. School will over at 4:30 instead of 2:30. Ryan, come here, son. Come here, my son. So, I'm going to do the poll for you.
Well, Kimmy, if you respond to the egg jelly and tell him all he needs nothing but a chat.
Mike Golden, hold on, Nathaniel. Damian Crawford says school will now over 2:30. No, 4:30 instead of 2:30. What say you?
Well, I was thinking about this because some people they have extra class, and then sometimes the transportation system isn't good. So some people gonna get up at their house say 8, 7 o'clock. They aren't gonna have time for homework. They aren't gonna have time to rest. They're just going to bathe and go and sleep, and then they can go back to school tomorrow.
So that means they won't get your homework. What about your SBAs and your CLCs?
I wouldn't have time to do that because I'd be either on the road or in extra class.
Oh, and you have volleyball extra class, right? Right. So are you happy that school will be extending till 4? No? No. Okay. That's my 14-year-old son, guys.
Okay, Kimmy, I want to ask you something, okay? All right. They've said the teachers must leave school, what, 4:30, right?
School will go over 4:30, yeah.
Okay, all right. So you have some children always stay for extra lesson where they pay money for the extra lesson.
Right.
So after the 4:30, they still have to go to the extra lessons? That I want to know.
Yeah.
Oh,
no, but hear what Dr. Satan said. Dr. Satan says, it's a volunteer service and they will be paid at the same time. Make it make sense.
That's crazy.
Don't forget to be for volunteer.
While I come up the name and crap, or that
they come back again. They come back again and said,
ladies
1 hour in the morning and 1 hour in the evening.
I talk about it on my live in the evenings. My 14-year-old son is going to grade 10. Good? My child is going to leave high school at 16. And you want, at this crucial time when you will be doing how much subjects in grade 10 that he was approved to do, you want to tell my son, who is going to have numerous of SBAs to do, right? Numerous, because he's going to be doing what, 6 subjects, I think, in grade 10, and these are all the science subjects. So you know, easy SBAs we are talking about, right, yes, sir? Cool? So I'm going to have all of that for you. You want to tell me that my 14-year-old son that you all just heard speak that says it doesn't make sense. You want to come stress out my kidney brain, and then me will love fret. Me love fret bad. When I'm left school, how am I going to reach home? I'm not drive. I walk foot, I'm not drive yet. Let me say that. I'm not drive yet. Because if Jamaica continue on the path, I think I'll be able to drive very soon.
But you want them never full of vehicle.
I don't get it. I not get it. Ladies and gentlemen, Apple Tree Sunday. If you're there, I'll be live. Of course, I'm after the live. I'm going to cut up my shirt today. I'm going to find my pants today. Man, I go pull it.
Just have a ask, you know.
I have my choose Jamaica shirt. Cut up.
Because I cannot be there, so me da ask you if you ever be live, so me can.
Yeah, man, you can't ask me that. Remember, I said the only time me is not a talker is when me have my split live. You can't ask me that.
I need to contact the member of parliament to find out with how many bus will be leaving from here, you know, 'cause I need to get one of those bus.
Hey, Nathaniel, you know, long me have a green and black Jordan 5. I wonder what to do with it if we forget to wear because I hardly wear shoes and bare slippers no wear. And me have one green pants. You know, long me I wonder what to do with them.
And my church dress too. No, I can't wear my church dress. Go this off Sunday.
What you mean? You have to wear it.
I can't wear my church dress.
Yeah, buy a green church
dress. I have one cut up shirt and one pants, and the pants cut up too. You understand? And yeah, so me go cut up all over. I can't wear that. You understand? But ladies, me said that yesterday on a different live. If you vote for Mark Golding, that 1.1% tax that they will put on imported food, you will now go back to the days when we ladies was unable to buy sanitary napkins in Jamaica. That is exactly what is going to happen.
I remember that they don't get an education tax too. Remember good. Mama put it back on them and you take off.
Sanitary napkin was a thing where I couldn't believe me. I said so much ladies did I go through it.
Guys, could you stop the stream and send some roses, please, and thank you, guys.
We can't allow it to happen.
Tap the rose.
Ladies. We cannot
Stand
allow
up the
it.
rose, tap the scream.
So Mona, are you gonna get there, Jamaica? Mona?
No, I live in America.
You're coming to vote?
Of course.
Can vote?
Of course.
You got to, girlie.
Thomas, they have 15-acre government land in here, but they are trying to scam. So we can't trust anyone.
I just said that the amount of people who live overseas are texting me one time the live down. Kimmy, please, may I beg you, whenever it announced, come live and talk it. Come in, no one forget. Some people would say, somebody text me and say, listen, we might just take an emergency 5-day break. You get me? Just make sure you attack. Ladies and gentlemen, I smell good, look good, Prime Minister. Somebody commented and said, so you tell me, say, your wife or your mate, you know, when election I go call. And then it one post from me say a while ago before I come in the live, and I comment and say, you're jealous? Just because you can't even step in them near the class. Because first of all, you don't have it. It don't look like you can't even buy them. One bridge, much less one eight. So buy, lift up. That is what they're doing now. They're attacking the Prime Minister's personal life. Him son gay, him family gay, Julieta cheat on him with this person, him and this there. That's what they're doing now because their campaign makes no sense. When I see the video with them coach little pitney them for talk about the boss and say the boss all. When I see the video,
Pauline Murray, you have to pay at which hospital?
You know, see the one of the people them back on them.
And so them do one video. I saw the PNP. So them do one video. I saw the PNP says something to sink themselves a little bit further. And every day more and more them sink themselves. And that is what I know. Mr. Holness sit down and wait for them to continue to do it. And may I be honest, if him did have a little bit more time, he would have do it. But he knows say one call it before school open. Because people are going by election close and back to school are go on. So yeah. I feel like one by one green with the election, you know, I'm not telling a lie.
Well, this time we never have some we got sell.
One green card.
That dyed them green.
Can't wait to see the color shoes we got up on him foot Sunday.
That about him green bank crabber.
I don't think of that. I see the shoes when get.
My teeth made a sense in brain a revolution.
You don't see the shoes when get what they are. You see the shoes when get what they are?
Yeah.
Oh.
About the lower cut clocks.
No, you got a Air Force. And I know they could do the design Air Force and put anything you want on it for Jamaica. That do they make an Air Force theme. You see
that one there? Yeah,
it
when
look good
customize
down.
it. Yeah, it look
It
good.
look good. It look good bad. It shows
Yeah, man.
body bad. And she say one bro God. I say bro God on the side. And one other word say best. Yo, the shoes bad like the shoes bad. I feel like it come away. Where you think, Mighty? Me that want him call it in other shoes there. Think me that want him call it in other shoes there.
But I love him wear a bank
Where
robber,
want
you
him
know?
call election in that shoes there?
Yeah, it bad man. The shoes bad man.
Yeah, man, the shoes bad for true, man.
You know, man, I love Pussy Kim, eh? All you say I'm bold up on the stage with him. You don't know how them.
Bad man, the shoes been bold train.
One no company today, I'm say, hey, go back through the door.
Ladies and gentlemen, me want to tell you this. Don't be fooled. Mike Golding has money to spend and he will spend that clothes and skirts. Mike Golding do not want to retire as a
opposition leader.
And the CM JLP win the election tomorrow night, them kick out Mark Golding.
Yes.
And yet you say Bunty is the party president.
True.
Our Satan is the party president.
None of them now get no seat.
Crawford now go get it. Him now get party president. Them will
and Julian Robinson they in there. I fight out Julian Robinson, you know.
My goal in, I don't know, boy, I the first man to see ever so slappy in a real life. All the bad madman them a road up better than the man to blows and skirt. The man just slappy. I come talk about him born here, him raise family here, him grow here. So you don't grow here, that's a lie. I see that video they just stood there this morning, I wake up at home, TikTok are the first thing I see. I born here, I raise family here, my birth certificate. The man just slappy. You may born here, you never grow here, sir. You don't know what it is. And when we Jamaicans start tell you say you are not a Jamaican, make you start put on this facade of being a Jamaican. Please remember good. And when we start carry you down, you start put on a show. Who is you, Mark Golding? Nothing but a piece of
I man, market our humble youth.
And everybody are going and I run up back at Mark Golding. Mark Golding plan is to put you on swam to live. You don't know what that mean? Like me think long and hard enough. When I come from my life, when I hear me say it. So you cannot
our humble youth.
And everybody are going and I run up back at Mark Golding. Mark Golding plan is to put you on swam to live. You don't know what that mean? Like me think long and hard enough. When I come from my life, when I hear me say it. So you cannot in 5 years, Errol, let's be honest. To dump up a swamp plan, it's going to take more than 5 years for that to accomplish. So all you're going to
press it out and
swamp it. When dump it. You're going to tell me say you couldn't see better? You're going to tell me say you want to give everybody money, but you're not tell me where money I come from. Mark Golding go check off a flat bridge. You now come mash up the future of Jamaica when my pick me have to grow up in now. Because everybody know me now vote for Andrew because me I vote for Jamaica. That me I vote for.
I better if me come like Portia and say we find money. We find money, believe me, we find money.
And now them a come talk about them want to rename Bustamante Hospital to Portia Children Hospital. How dare you? It I got up on my live tomorrow later, guys. And I go see the video. My screenshot it. My screenshot it. Beg the big box, me show them the headline. Beg the big box.
I won't say so. I won't say that.
Beg the big box, me show them the headline. Beg the big box.
I won't say so. I won't say that.
Let me show it to the people. Hold on. Sit there. That's crazy. That is crazy. People, Children Hospital to Portia Simpson Miller Hospital. See the on the screen. Look.
Why she never upgrade it? Why she never build one?
I cannot believe.
So Janice Ali walk or William Hospital. Then build one hospital in Jamaica. People come put him for hospital. So Janice Ali walk or William Hospital.
See then. We will name in honor of Miss Miller. Like whenever members say on her birthday a piece of cake or one picture on the fair. Cause we no member. Bustamante Children Hospital. How dare you go off and it's after something like that? Tell me now what that I say. Well, I understand that she can get a building in her name, but you can't rename Bustamante Children Hospital. You cannot do that. You can't go off a Bustamante Children Hospital like that. How dare you do that? How dare you do that? That is crazy. And we, the Jamaican people, run up back a more swampy after them have things like this. How can you want to rename the Children Hospital to Bustamante Children Hospital? Miss Lady got chuck off in the deepest part of Flatbridge. Imagine guys. Imagine at this them are come with. This is what they're coming with. We will rename it. And she said it with so much passion, you know, man. She said it with Wally deal in her, you know. We will remain the Children Hospital. She not even said Bustamante Children, you know. She said the Children Hospital with her outer order self. As she said one of the video where they pick them and sell the chocolate and tell them say chocolate is not a good venture because the sun too hot. Which is she's right. But as she said one, we will rename. How dare you attack the oh. You know want name somewhere? One name Bellevue Portia. Simple. Because the whole and over there, my people. This is legacy. Why are you coming for legacy? Why them are come for legacy? That's the question.
Because they want to be for them legacy.
Western Children Adolescent Hospital. What does that mean? I'm gonna get it. Of all the hospitals to go for, you come for this. This is where you come for. You want to rename one building, rename 87 Old Hope Road, Portia Simpson Miller Building. Down 89 Old Hope Road. Rename them. Rename down there, so. The museum, name it Portia. Because yet another time they have proven that they are not for the Jamaican people with something as stupid as this. Better this one I go build a next children hospital and name it Portia Hospital. Better this one I go look for one building where could have been name and give it a name. But don't come for Bustamante Children Hospital like that. I don't sick my stomach as PNP. I care how much I want to hear me say that. I say that to the wall of my chest.
The PNP see for make them lay down night, you know. That's why them come all the while come tell Merlin before Merlin go like such a pray to run them where. To always fool argument. And I realize that
if you realize that most of everything when them talking at the election is attacking are coming for the Jamaican people. We're going to tax imported food, $1 billion tax imported food. Get everybody I give. Let us please remember, let us please remember this. Out our mouth say Jamaica to get plans while it is underneath the Jamaica Labour Party, everybody have a chance to benefit down to PNP when I claim that they not get nothing. Don't be a partisan because you're born in a labor right or you're born. Vote for what you see is happening in Jamaica. Vote for the factory where I build up. Vote for your picnic because my picnic can take on another 2 hours. Me know that for sure, no matter how I'm telling you, my pitney bright. Yes, he's bright, but he cannot manage it. And then you know have the you know them a come off for the man got church and not even drop nothing in the offering plate. And then this him a come with. This is way him a come with. We will remain the children hospital. Portia Sims hospital. Like say a Portia didn't build hospital boy. Jenny Samuel, Jenny, the way I'm upset. Oh yeah. Jenny Samuel, the way I'm upset.
Navi, if you come back, send a request.
The way all me upset, don't make me come for you right now. You hear what I say, lady? Don't let me come for you because my back of one man we don't have no plans. Me lie? In the observer, come tell me what I lie with no lady. Lady, lift up.
Gimme.
Yeah, one of them. Yeah, woman. Well, on there. Yeah, one of them where woman was know better. Yeah, woman, you
know. Me have to correct you on something, Kimmy. Me now, well on. Me have to correct you on something. Hospital. That's the new children and adolescents hospital where I build a mobile. Right beside Cornwall Regional.
Are them build hospital?
No. But me just tell you say I'm a
hospital. Me no business. They no believe.
Kimmy, understand what me say no?
Me understand, but they don't have the time to they don't.
Me know say me know they can't rename it or nothing about it. But me just make you know say you carry the wrong information. It's not the Bustamante hospital. It's the new children and adolescent hospital in Mobile.
Okay, then Billy. Everything where them I do right now don't make no sense. And she said, good and proud, we will rename it.
Well, it's Navi down there. And you're down there.
We will rename it. It's not a good thing to say that you're going to. You never build none. Why Mark Golding can't give me one plan or I can say, you know, that make little bit of sense? Little bit of sense.
Because they don't have no plan.
No?
Because they don't have.
I would have Merlin just put up and make so much noise.
You can't tell me I tell the big box.
Put up our comment section a link, so baptize you so many times and you still love over here.
Today is not the day for argue with no PNP. I have a live where I say, come tell me why I must vote for Mark Golding, and up to now we are yet to find that person to come and tell us why. When them not talk about Andrew this, Andrew that, them still can't come. So I'm yet to find somebody we have sent from the People's National Party for come and we live Errol and tell you why them have vote for Mark Golding.
As much as the name of the hospital where you call wrong, but you're not wrong about where them say them want to go do.
But them can't rename something, but them can't rename something.
My name, your name. I see your name.
You don't call me.
Me I call you.
Them can't rename something with them not bill. Them can't do nothing with them not bill. Them can't touch nothing with them not bill. Where was all of this building and renaming within 18 years? Where was it? Them can't rename something with them.
Pipeline boss. Andrew catch it.
A lot of women are run down behind Mark Golding and tell them to realize that party don't like women, and it's not because of the unaliving of women only. Lisa Anna is a perfect example. She's alive and well, and then push her around. I'm gonna say it enough time, and people say I'm not
talk about your shortcut muggling career. Meanwhile, she in her office.
May I talk about it is true. If Lisa Anna did in a power and a run against Andrew, she would have get Andrew a run for money, and nobody can say alive. But
should be a good prime minister too, because should have worked for the people.
Should I give him a run for money? She would give him a run. That's why Andrew attract, which is youth, are the same thing should have go for. Only understand some living in one student area, and most of the students when them talk, them say them attack because they were able to get student loan without the hassle. And at that most of them are vote for. Living in one student. Lisa Anna. No, outside of that, no. And at that most of them are vote. But the young people would gravitate to her. Believe me, man. She would. She would youngness and the stuff, you know. Them would gravitate to her, and at least should have talk with sense. We're not talking about the fix up what she know. We just talk say should have a little medium with the young people. Them, and that's not a lie. It's not a libel. We have to give justice where it is. If she was there, should I give him a little run? Not a big run, you know, but a little. Mono vote. If I was would support the PNP, I wouldn't vote. And if you don't realize I vote for PNP, then rather not get Andrew the vote. Then rather not vote than forget Andrew the vote.
So why me not vote? Because she did that on Labour right before she switch. But I'm choose to switch, make me worse now go vote.
See there Mark go the vote.
So why me not vote? Because she did that on Labour right before she switch. But I'm choose to switch, make me worse now go vote.
See there Mark Golden take a job after Lawrence Rowe at St. James, where some boy talk, but you know where some boy talk. Me tell myself say I have to cook flour for a couple of days. At least I don't really like flour neither, so it don't make no sense. It don't really bother me. He's not a flour person. But we cannot sit down and watch idly that them come and take over and more tax on top of tax. It was in his budget debate, who not listen to it. So link, know this. If you deliver yard, every imported food that come here, it will be taxed. If you know this. And ladies will love shopping. That should have been a big
mackerel links you can eat. No more tin mackerel.
And spend $100.
Tin price.
Remember me the panshine, make sure so I look and I know want my things go over $50 because I can't bother with the fees. Now I just take my time, panshine, pan Amazon, I just see some season on Amazon when I want to buy.
Timmy, how long now? Those golden come and tell them that hardly shall say what we grow or eat and them say no. We have take it from foreign. Links really not no sense, you know.
Links, I'll invite you to Afro-Tree on Sunday. I'll be in a Choose Jamaica shirt, cut up.
They vote Labour right. Links live.
But I got the ages I go get it warm, me take a low. So forward the Afro-Tree, you can come from my low. But I got the ages I go get it warm, me take a low. So forward the Afro-Tree, you can come from my live, because I go live Afro-Tree. No good again.
Get a Labour right, girl.
You understand? You might get a sexy look good, stay so Labour right. You understand? You know,
now we come up now, man, and come Kimmy watch her down there. Now we watch Kimmy down there after what happened Sunday.
Watch me at every what you say?
What do you mean you don't? Navi, how can you not hear the big announcement? Sunday Afro-Tree. Afro-Tree, it's our link up time. It's Kingston and St. Andrew time to link up, and most time when that happens, that is when Mr. Sir called the election.
A Sunday, I think I said on Sunday, you know. So that means that you can call it a Sunday then. You see that Afro-Tree and some shops here.
No man, Afro-Tree. I feel like an Afro-Tree are JC.
No, forward you may have it. I want new one. I want new one. I want new one. This morning, I want new one.
But the PM did say you not start campaign yet.
And next month the election
Sunday
still,
in a so.
Yeah, Merlin.
and next month I
I
go
say
beat.
want come up there, you know.
But me I get problem, you hear me?
Hey.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
So.
Get problem, you hear me? But somebody report my page, man. No pay waiting no matter stuck for me. You know how long it stuck for me?
Eh?
See that come back again, I content more close up. Come on, no put F1. Back again, I content more close up. Come on, no put F1. Start now.
F1.
And it can be a fake page too.
No, me talk about me can't roll it down. Me can't take in nobody in the box.
Yeah, they are.
Me can't take in nobody in the box.
Alright, we have to take up.
You're a senior.
Oh.
The name Ural Senior.
Oh, Mr. Senior.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm trying to done put F1. Who are there Israel link up? Kingston link up son. For the day. Anna, you're going to be there? Anna, please say yes, please say yes, please say yes, Anna, please say yes, girl. Have to meet you.
Come here. Somebody the phone number. Give me the car.
Who up more?
Come on, you're not somewhere
Who
tomorrow.
up
Come.
more? One Mrs. Holness. Yeah, that day?
Yes, that's a minute.
Where you live? Oh, you go there, Brownstone. Girl, why you not there so?
Alright,
Looking like
take
a
up
Sunday
Navi.
Macall, it's not a Sunday, no, just feel like a
Take up
Sunday
Navi. Send a
Macall.
request to Navi.
Baby, when it's already saved? It's already saved, I'm sure. They don't name that. Yeah. So when you do the
Navi.
I just reaching, man. I just reaching at my house.
Okay.
Just come in here. I told someone in me back up out the road. PS2, me meet up with my friend over there.
I will go for Juliet. I have an appointment.
I tell you people these days.
I will go for Juliet to get some shirt. Thursday.
How are you doing?
Guys, you want to tap up the screen, guys.
You know,
Oh my God, we want to reach 300. 300K, guys.
Andrew shirt and all now me
Tap the
can't
screen, we got
receive it.
300K.
You want, Aaron?
My Andrew shirt all long my half my Mackenzie niece in law for one. And she say, yeah. I soon go up the road. When I go up the road, she not gonna like it.
Every time you ask for an armband, I can get one. For sure, yeah.
Well, me can't get one. Me can't
Guys,
get
gonna tap up the screen, guys. Tap the screen, guys.
Me can't get the handband for no come. My handband said ja.
Tap the screen, make me go to 3K. Make me go in at the rank.
Right now, me I tell you, right now, me have on my handband. I have on a St. Patrick Day green band. I'm from St. Patrick Day. I get this band. I don't take it off.
Me take off mine. Mona, me take off mine Sunday. Me take off mine Sunday because I have one ear for comb.
And I said she have armband and t-shirts.
No, what I'm saying, I got on St. Patrick Day because you know they have all type of I think America. So St. Patrick Day, I got a green band. From my got this green band, I don't take it off.
When I hear everybody with up on the platform.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You want to listen to me? I'm going to close the app. Because right now the app stop for me. So TikTok at all, but TikTok now respond. And that them doing me thing every day.
Yeah?
It's stuck. Yeah, they don't know what to
lock it off and turn it on back.
Because they might report the page. So where me I going to do now? Me I going to come down and come back up. You know, don't go nowhere now.
All right.
Remember, guys.
Yeah.
I have to go close the app because of that them want me to because they might report me. I close the app and come back up. Alright?
430K.
Jano. Well, don't go on then. 300. Because me can't see nobody. And me can't smite down my board neither for so now.
Oh.
So me definitely have to go come down.
Why think
All
I
right.
do that?
All right, do it.
Me I come down and come back.
Do it. At least I gone 2:30.
You're not going nowhere.
We know you're not going to Errol.
Errol said I got away. So be 100% with Errol.
Yeah, man. We know Errol now left. Errol is a loyal soldier.
Guys. Marlene, the something will come up and say, close the app is not tick. It already?
No.
Is that in the live?
The part was so weird. Or close the app.
We say wait or close the app. You could just so it keep coming up
You
and
see,
You come back now, Bernie, you know?
Yeah.
man.
I know TikTok, auntie. I know TikTok.
I don't think that's your
Give me a sign
phone.
of kick your phone.
The phone
Hey,
over
I get a
here.
good 5, you know.
Yeah.
I get a good 5, they be not lie. Nobody never did that draw me attention over here. Well, a good 5 minutes, man.
Who is Ivan?
Well,
They said to put Ivan in the box.
Well, Anna.
Oh, I put me in a big box with them see me naked.
Errol, I try,
They said to put Ivan. They said to put Ivan.
Ivan, you say?
Ivan.
Me not see Ivan. Me see links down there lay down like a lizard pan a limb.
No, man,
Links,
my
how
links
much you love
stay
over
down there.
yourself?
Yeah, they said
My
put.
links stay down there.
Me not see
Navi down there,
Ivan.
you
Yes,
well down there.
Navi.
Oh, Navi.
Yeah, Navi.
Tell her to send back the request. Tell her to send back the request.
Navi down there and URL down there. It's a senior.
So see, now say I'm going to take sleep and come back.
Them is a senior and come back long time. And I say, pick me up, pick
Mr.
me up,
Senior,
pick
send
me
back
up.
the request on Navi because may I look for them and may not see them.
I send back the request, I not see them. Ah, Jesus, I come from road, I tell you like how. Me not get you, me for them say we're on an iPad.
That's what I have right now. Yeah, I mean, that's like a bar soap.
Come and see.
All right, you got it for somebody else.
Come and see. Bring come and see.
We got it
Come
on
and
the
see.
list.
I saw we scared. You know,
Yeah.
this I eat that boy
Come and start thinking
anyway.
about it. Wine. And the Jamaican one in by.
Yeah, man, I saw we scared. Sister Benji, so we scared. We don't have to tell you the truth anyway.
You want us to get a cup and have some drink?
Yeah, have a drink. I'm going to charge this too.
I want to go and find the house.
No.
Oh God, I'm so tired.
What a confrontation.
So she come call the therapy for me.
And when the students them I say them want to go home at 2:45.
We should I therapy they were free.
Them people there.
No, let me make it.
Janet, what did he do?
TikTok police go and go look for Annie and left them over here so you don't have no match to play and you not play no match with you. TikTok police and if you go clean up your ass.
Where TikTok police there?
I saw my walk from platform to platform and give up him. Anyway, give me them fella.
No, me have to pay your fee, my insurance. Exactly. You can't bother you, I'm sick and tired of America.
What not go with no? What not go with no?
Where you are going with?
You know, I say me there, you know, me there upon some laughing spree, you
No.
know. Cause me just pass through one life there and see one little one little such man. And I be a mingle finger me I give them and yeah what? I be a cuss them a cuss, you know. That's what me think about too. Me see two of we colleagues come pan there and them a go on, yo. Them cut them off, take them off. A while ago they just blackmail. I say, yeah.
I wish one on the platform.
When you again, that little boy they talk like him a fish man. I remember when him. You a little fish.
You have to ask Errol coming, I hear me.
Ask which Errol, I tell you about this morning, you know. You come call me and make me an encounter with this boy with worse than the national dish. I come talk about rough fish and run there for man.
We said the two man they did that. We said the two part they did that and I said, go ahead with the let's start cuss. Boy.
Come guys, we need to reach 250k. Tap up the screen.
Ah, Jesus.
Man, reset your life, boy.
Yo.
300 we have got around. 300.
Yeah, but first we have to reach 250, don't it?
Then desperate for power till it look bad. I don't know what to them. Where they hear about? Where they come from? Where they mean there?
Yeah, they want power.
Poor people and they like don't freeze with the poor people with poor people used to
yeah,
work
that don't freeze on a
poor people. Business with that. Them say the youth them want work. And the one I say the youth them I tell him say. I have to stop tell life on the youth them. You know they not serve here. Not serve here, you know no.
Or tell him say.
Yeah, exactly.
The youth not tell you nothing. But a youth they put him in, you know. And a youth I go vote him out, you know, because the youth them I say this and the youth them. I say stop tell life on the youth them. The man have the youth them back covered. I will not tell the youth them so not open out there for them. All the youth them have phone to know if open out there for them.
You mean? So you know say young people them might get job. Young people them might get
all the young man, no young boy now go in, but them go look na work, you know. Them go online and place them thing and then them text them and say come in for your interview and them go with them credentials and that's it.
Yeah man.
You know, waste no time. Say, yeah, go there, so go look work, and you know, must get it.
You see the one them who you say no, then can't get no work and they no want a job, and them the one they are sitting and wait for hand.
No wholesale worker who not qualify to get no job. The same man who about subjects. I do wholesale work and I talk to boy the amount of money we make a month and time. When they push out the goods out at wholesale from the hand shop.
Trolley.
Amount of
keep on all these things.
Oh yeah, say man.
A land cat man I get a lick because the trolley you them in the wholesale. All woman a push out trolley. Some of the woman them never want a man. If you not give them nothing, them no want you. The black man them no want because them have to push out trolley.
It's like how they then get to put on it tax pan the hand cat man them. So in time then go if them go back in, at that hand cat man them are gonna get tax. Them have to go like that to work on the road.
That's like that have been the engine. And then this idiot boy that come talk about say the reason why Angela Brownberg put on tax on the hand cat is because them are push where the people them loan and the people them complain. Me say stop tell life on the people them. Stop the life on the market people them. The only thing the market people them complain about is the food price and market high. And you never hear no PNP member go tell them say alright to go and make it lower phone.
Links. Era, Links I talk to you.
Links can't talk to me.
Links, you talk about class. I can show you my green clocks now. Want me show you? One Marky G, one PMP. One love over here.
Merlin, I show
I tell you.
Merlin, I show a link something.
Them better have some pack of pampers.
Merlin, show a links this. A green and black now.
Box top of box of pampers. Them far.
Harder than that. Yeah, my shoes for election. Yeah.
But yeah, Links, well, Merlin, me know say you're full of clocks. Whoa.
Hey, links or something else. No, man.
What the time over here? How long over here, sir? Hey, so hold on. What make him not want to go over Mama San?
No, you want to come back that one, no?
What the
You
fish
want to man them MC over here.
So
A
why
woman
not
them
like
MC
over
over here. Merlin, look on this, Merlin. Merlin, look on this.
Yeah.
You know how long me wait for election for call for you this, Merlin?
I'm here for me there too.
Long time I wait for election for call for you that.
Don't worry yourself, Errol, soon call now.
Don't worry, they know so walk from platform to platform I get problem. And I want more, I can't find one PMP problem. One PMP platform and feel happy over there. I was about over here, so.
Over here so nice.
Over here so nice. Why?
I like the excitement of
Cheryl, you know what I'm going to do, Cheryl?
Yeah.
I'm going to buy one green polo shirt and I'm going to get my logo print on it because my brother over Portmore where a top labor right, him was a councillor. In the logo stitch on them something there.
Okay.
So I'm going to do the logo print, I'm going to do logo stitch.
Yeah.
Customize my shirt.
Same so.
You see me?
So when them say you step out Sunday at half a tree,
them know my things still, man, in a Southeast St. Catherine, man. One Robert Miller, one big Rob.
A Sunday after tree?
You see me?
A Sunday, can you say? A Sunday?
Yeah.
A Sunday?
Sunday, them say half a tree.
Yeah.
Really?
Well,
yes.
If a Sunday after tree.
Merlin, Sicilian son are there too, you know. Because Sicilian son, big Rob place, you know. Sicilian son, I'm a bridge in them par, man.
Yes, Merlin. Half a tree, all road lead to half a tree. You say when I come to the port, I'm left for no error. But go sleep, master.
What time we are left?
We are left out early, now, because I know I forgot a bit early.
Why? Me can't bother with half a tree Sunday. A Sunday the date announced, you know?
Yes, man.
Sunday the date announced. Sunday Merlin, one link. Link it like me. Come in the big box and turn on the camera.
Nah, go on Sunday.
Oh, somebody say a man to go be a Sunday. That means say if you can't call a man to go be, it's a Sam Shark Square. After
go on Sunday.
Either way.
A Kingston him a call election.
It's a Kingston him a call it.
Yeah.
That's him go call it.
And that's him a call a Kingston.
Last meet the last thing that we are going to
keep.
No,
it's man to go be a
Sunday. That's him go call it. The last one we are going to keep. That's him go call it.
That means a man to be a call it. Then next week then. Next week Sunday the 10th.
Yeah.
Well, like links just a text upon you read my comment.
Yeah.
We're going to baptize things over here.
I don't want a clock, because I don't want contour. I want a clocks, and you want clocks. I wear clocks how much years ago? Be a clocks, I wear go school and ballet.
To the world.
Be a clocks and ballet, I wear go school. Yeah. I want a clocks. I top wear clocks long time ago. I be a sneakers and slippers I wear. I can't give her sneakers, no, I have Adidas sneakers.
Top of the screen, guys, my job wanna act me. Top of the screen, guys.
No, a Jordan I do it.
Guys, on the top of the screen, no?
Yeah,
yeah.
Oh God, I'm tired.
Now show a link something.
Tired.
I want this links. You never come out of plastic yet, links, a Jordan.
Links, I want a Jordan there.
Yeah. Never come out of plastic yet, links. I saw me roll. Nobody throw you see me by your talk. Me not short or nothing.
Yeah. Come, Links, step up the screen, Links. Step up the screen.
Links, me have to put the clothes in the links and put the shoes in the links. See the links?
Guys, on the top of the screen, I'm going to go on. Guys, power tap the screen. Power tap the screen, guys. Me nice. Power tap the screen. Me just want to go 300. Power tap the screen, guys. Please.
Now, what if things can go well, links? Me have clothes, me have boot, Pick the clothes, pick the boot.
I'm tired.
Links, if you want roll on, me can give you and call one of them.
I'm tired. Tap the
That's
screen,
not
guys.
bad, Links.
Tap, 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 tap,
Tap, tap, tap.
tap, 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 tap.
How you just
Everybody,
say that?
tap
Oh,
Merlin now, Farid.
I look off. I'm always talking about up, Merlin, up. Let me tell the oil if I lift him up, him up. So me put him off and lift for work.
But DoorDash a class error like you think say error people them little bit of them poor. And my son buy me that slippers for $75 and my does 15 next month him at 16. Yeah. That to show you the progress where labor right do. That means that it's embedded in them kids. Yeah.
Well,
User come
up here.
Hello?
You ready for supper, Mr. Richard? Are you ready for supper?
Yeah. I'm not think we can't deal with all them people, and because working with these people, them coming like them want mad. My guys, you're not big on 5 donut. Guys,
let me tell you something mighty. Can't deal the links on the platform. Be a foolish this link stop. Now all the people that are foolish is not even Tuesday evening here.
Where's that? That even a few one.
No, sir. You know?
User. Because we don't have the name in us, so we have to call a user.
Hello, user. The person up there in the box.
Hi, good evening. Okay, user, we have to take it down.
I would have call parking to that.
Mona back in the house.
You know, some more time, Cheryl, some people see some people on the app, them feel like some people now have nothing, some people are struggle.
Yeah, but you see, that's like something you can't pay in the mind of error because who knows.
Yeah, and suppose me did show him which part me take up that jar and then from. Me have 3 more there when me never now wear.
Yeah.
Plus me have Adidas when me get the other day. I never know when it I go wear and it brand new.
Yeah, I'm on the way what Marlene can afford. Marlene can afford it.
For your disrespect, the youth we not seen come back.
Which youth?
You want somebody?
Oh.
The same boy, man. Where
boy?
The one where this something too long.
Or the one where the company something. When him? I don't know if he more to your area.
Me go out there so go look if me see him. Cause me tell him say, hey boy, me meet me on 3rd Street at the park.
So they say they go area?
Yeah, I go see my brother-in-law sit down and me I say, Robbie, this boy about him name something Lee. Where my boy my assessor brother. Robbie say I lie that.
Well, I
lie my tell. Says not. If Robbie say me I watch you in the Errol and me I watch you take him on and sit down and dead with laugh. I mean, say, when me look, me see. I saw come me know say Kimmy come up. I mean.
Well, I Errol. This is for you tell him to go FE mother.
I come back, a boy we are chat up, I go say, go talk to your mama, we are chat to idiot boy.
Not people are commenting put back in a
So you can't see me in a real life and chat to me. Let me say, Robbie, Buster man to farm, Labour Party farm in a branch yard. Let me tell you this morning. Labour Party farm in a branch yard. 1943 it was organized inside a branch yard. Branch yard was a revival yard where Siago baptized in her. Then Siago got Brother Joe Church round at Denham Town. Because branch yard mash up. Let me get the history about branch yard. Jamaica Labour Party was founded in branch yard.
That hurt me.
Merlin, you never hear about it yet, Merlin? Branch yard was the birthplace of Jamaica Labour Party. Where St. William Grant and Alexander Bustamante discussed about leaving the People's National Party and forming the Jamaica Labour Party.
Saski.
My neighbor, Brother Babu, was the owner of branch yard. He was the father branch.
Give me the from a dresser.
Okay? So the matter about branch yard. foolishness him a tell me. Toto Branch used to play for Boys
Egan,
Town
thank you.
football team. Toto Branch, our brother Babu's son. He live behind me.
From the Caribbean, sweetie.
Yeah. She like all
You
that.
hear, all right, Mighty, you hear Cartel sing about one song where him say one Jegge?
Yeah.
Jegge is a branch, a brother Babu's son. And who helped form the Jamaica Labour Party. Him a liberate until the day him dead and alive. The man they can't come tell me about Branch Yard. The owner for Branch Yard was my neighbor. My mother and father get this house for me in a 2 day.
This curry that they got here, they will let you.
One thing me know of my history.
And when you go in curry, you have to put it on.
Me know the history about my first prime minister. Because Alexander Bustamante. And you lost a Shearer, Edna Constantine, and Norman Manley. I 4 cause of them. Because Alexander Bustamante was having an affair with Edna Constantine and the middle of the British Royal Army. He would have left and come to Jamaica because them cannot take the embarrassment in the family. Because the royal family.
Use the pan you got down out there. And you put it on and lock it down. That's the right one?
Yeah, man.
That's the right one.
Now you see what happened is this now? You lost a share of the live out of East Kingston. Me can't tell him one whole heap of thing about my party member, them, the original them. The Hills and the Art, them, did own People's National Party. The Hills and the Art. And them run Siago when Siago approach the People's National Party. And you lost a share and say, come, me and your friend. And introduce him. And Buster say, you sure this youth is a good youth? I said, yes, he's a good youth.
Okay. We can't bother. Sharon, why? Sure that doctor may come from a back at me. You can't bother.
You're drinking enough water, Marine?
Links chat be a foolishness. Me no want engage links in a never. Keyboard war, much less platform war.
Okay.
And then he might talk about him did vote for Labour Party and him did vote for anybody vote for Labour Party the law from Bruce Golding time will never vote for PNP.
Links a lion. Burley, we don't want him back on the live.
Who?
Links.
Links I look summer for catch. A PNP alone catch. Go ask Mark Golding for summer for catch.
Oh, them
Labour right, love them one players.
I collect to do that, man.
Yeah. Links, even if you know my face, you can't come with me the Sunday. Me I beg you don't do it. But if you ever say you name Links and make some dog round me see them will bite you up. No do it.
Errol, the boy named Caesar. Lester Patrick.
Caesar a liar, man. No, you're not about Caesar. But God, that's for me, Caesar can't come across the bridge and come to the building now. Because I'm saying I live down a West Road, down a Branch Yard. Branch Yard, I want my land up to today there. You say which part, Brother Joe yard there? We see I go out there and there's a mash down a Shooters Hill down there downtown. You see where Branch Yard the next Revival Yard, there's a mash down, nobody no live there. I be a ghost there.
Comments, Errol. Links say I come here.
I beg him don't do it. Because me have some dogs that will bite him up real bad and a pit bull.
You know, say Links are Labour right.
Links are not a Labour right and come chat so much about Labour Party.
Links, we know you're Labour right, Links.
Links are
no.
page.
Links wanna be Labour right.
Because I am that to put him up in a
yeah, man. Links to go over Daniel. I go over Mama side. Links to go over Mama side. I go over Daniel, man.
Look here, I want the man I wind up in there because it's not a real page, man.
Listen me now, Mighty. I told you straight Links they had come with the same foolishness.
Yeah, because right now, because guess what now, he gonna walk and make trouble because the man who walk and make trouble can't make him drown out. That
listen, no Labour right now do that for Links. I do Labour right now run joke them time, yeah.
No, that's why him a do it. I want him definitely winding up, you know, trust me.
Links don't know nothing about me. Links that's about me and my friend. Links, if Links tell me one thing about me, for sure, and two things for certain, me say yes, I'm a friend. Yes, your come over here, Frostman come over here, Merlin, and I tell you, say, me and him almost lose life at the same time, and we left Portmore at the same time. I'm a friend that. I'm going to tell him, click on him camera. I'm going to say, Merlin, I'm a friend that.
Mine too.
Merlin, if you're dead.
Lord God, but think
my friend, them not afraid to show them face when me say, show your face. I say, all of my them and me run things.
Links, oh, you love the labor right. Links, you love the labor right life, what make you love the labor right life?
Yeah, God. Era, don't make him dry out. Hear me, I want you.
Links can't draw me out. Can't draw me out, you know. Links can't draw me out, no time at all.
So yeah, my friend. Why Links, you love the labor right, Papa. That's the right.
You Links, you know me, Links know I said the first crew, we call Links crew, I'm here the Dan for the crew there.
So that's why Links go over here, wind up in there. Go
no, and Links crew, a labor right crew. And all of them man they are foreign.
Oh.
All of them man they are come for vote. Every single one of them, the 25 of them are come for vote.
Oh, Jesus.
You see, Frostman, when you see them early in yesterday, is a part of Links crew.
Links say, young youth, them must say, they're not good. Holness. Ask
Links.
Links and the survey.
Merlin, me send you one video. Me send one video to your phone, yeah?
Me see it.
Yeah. Play it, man.
Josh, them up a grand spend. Me must say grand spend.
Look here, play it, make Link say. Play it, make him see. Right. Young people them say now vote for Andrew. Play it, make him swear the young people them I say.
Hold on, because I tell you, make my chest hurt, man.
How the people them, young people don't want no old junkie, man. Them don't want no old
any young man I say they now vote for and they're not straight.
And then that's when we present it to them, bro, with the cuts and everything in there.
All right. Remember. Jashi.
How are you, Tia?
We not hear it, Merlin. We not hear it.
Turn up the sound.
Oh, because of the sound in my ears. Oh, Jesus.
Mike, none of my friends are running around.
You have to stop right now.
Joshua DJ start this year, you're green.
You can't bother. When it's a job for me, you
Links, I saw it for you.
Tell them say, me don't tell them say cartel say I want Jamaica.
Fight, you see me?
Because me there laugh for the whole of my time. I don't want to.
Links here must make sure you come Sunday and take your medicine.
That means the Links don't know nothing about me because I'm afraid of medicine.
Yeah, but
that's why I put it on PMP because I don't want to feed them medicine.
Now tell them I get a good laugh from
my affiliation if I tell remember to take him pill them all the while because
I straight calalo juice me drink.
That's why you look so young and strong, Errol.
Errol full of calalo juice.
Tap up the screen, guys. Tap up the screen. We are going 300.
So you have the calalo juice, how many have the spinach juice?
Spinach juice, I want good something, you know.
Yeah, man.
I the same thing. You know which color I love, Steam? One of the red in the vinyl look like it wild.
Yeah, them say it good in the red wild color.
That the wild one.
Yeah.
That the stronger one.
Yeah.
Links, don't worry yourself. We are come pick you up for that conference, yeah?
Yep, you not have no conference, you know. When we're done with them, then have no conference we have.
Them have to need confidence.
They don't have no confidence, we have no conference. Why would them all broke over there? They can't get no confidence. treating, they not have no money.
Hold
They
on,
not
no,
have
man.
no
Hold
confidence.
on, no, man. You remember when Vibes Cartel come out and Garden Conference? So when there's a Labor Right Conference, oh God. Oh God, you remember Labor Right Conference?
You see them a beg Andrew for call election, you know. We them a beg him because them a run out of idea, money, everything. That's why them a try so much foolishness.
Come on, guys, tap up the screen. Try reaching 450.
A big election.
But not tell them not talk. I can't say we not part. We not reach 3 yet. We never reached 250 yet.
We saw reach 250, man.
Should I reach already? And some of the 103 people there.
When I tap, me not play now. When I tap, me not play now. That's why I'm over my cousin live. I tappings me do. You know, me not play with the tappings, you know.
But we are the amount of people that on the live.
You tap for now till I'm on.
Come on, the amount of people that on the live, we should have reached it already.
Right. Come on with nice, clean, Labor Right people. Links, stop the scream, Links. Stop the scream. Links, you know, say a time for you send Anti-Merle one lion. A time for you send Anti-Merle
Money gun, Links. Money gun.
You need, Auntie get one money gun this morning. Auntie don't need no money gun. Auntie need a wheel or a lion. You hear that, Links?
Come, Links, send a lion.
So send up one wheel or one lion for Auntie Links.
Yeah, una get mad. Una get mad.
Everyone say we get mad.
I couldn't get mad.
Can't find that.
Links want that for when Andrew win again.
Aye. Links up on the page a little bit of blood clean. I can't believe.
Links sit up on a stone and listen everything.
I'll make you love this alive, yes, sir.
Because you get happiness over here.
I'm gonna be a
no, you see, you not understand, you know, just when them get baptized.
Then can't keep them foot.
No, Links, me never thief zinc, I'm in a band poor, my father a contractor.
The belly.
You're wrong. A big boss me take past zinc factory where your government sell out zinc factory. So
Links, you down to the text. Send Auntie Merle one lion or one wheel. She deserve it.
Me no love.
She love thief zinc. I'm gonna make fence. I can't put fence here. I no zinc fence.
Me can't mother. Sorry, Lawagwan.
One of them come up.
Thief in Links, me go call him now.
One of them
tell you.
One of them come up and ask me if me have house and car. Tell the person to ask me if me have house and car. Just go in a Granville, man, to go be a Granville and ask anybody. Just take one and ask anybody to go show you which part Mona live. And Mona knows that.
Them don't know to Labor Right work hard for what they have. Labor Right don't work on
just
big.
ask anybody.
Yeah.
Brag and boast. But just gonna Granville text.
Links just a try
right now. House or car.
Links can't wind me out because me a man no wine. I never drink wine or champagne, I drink.
Moscato, drink.
I will tell you, you know the Bottega Moscato?
Oh, God.
Bottega Moscato, the best Moscato, come from straight to Italy. You drink the liquor, you eat that Moscato, you see the liquor. Shape up buckle will look like Coca-Cola buckle.
Link Moscato, a boomer and rum.
Yeah.
I feel Moscato that boomer and rum.
Lemon spritz, cocktail juice. We come from Italy, Links. Them thing that I drink.
Oh, yeah, tell the ask man if you know, man.
$1,500 for 3 of them, 5 bills to one. That one little can.
Yo, the man that tells you $1.50 where you want.
You know, see, although anything can happen, you know, see them all one boy in a market G meet and sell him with one big rifle.
Yeah. I told Marky G that them not unalive him, you know. So Marky G have a Andrew send them.
I'm the Errol Marley, you my friend. About it. Me Errol a friend.
Links, how you me so got teeth drink, so Only you see my friend. Don't used to work at
Marley, I did. Marley, I did with her.
Links, me
Man,
and
send
your
up
friend
two
in the
donuts,
comment
Auntie Merlin.
section.
Send up 2 donuts, Auntie Merlin, and top up the screens, guys.
No more.
My 2 man tell this man say me and be a woman a friend, me and no man and a friend. Now keep man friend, when I want a friend, me come talk to be a woman over here, so.
Aaron, you say you know so true.
Or if you know Links ever turn on him camera, let me see who him be.
So me I invite him links and him no want come up. You know what time I invite him up?
He said that work.
He not down at work, afraid of Aaron. Them look down there as a G keeper, I'm not come up here.
G keeper, wait for him come up. Because G keeper now go give me no chance.
Yeah, my work, baby. He said that work. Why?
Ooh, baby.
I want to save it for later.
Me not tell like Aaron, my head hurt me on my chest.
This boy come talk about branch yard. From 1974 branch yard mash up.
Links, what kind of work you do, Links? What type of work you doing?
Pump train wheel.
What kind of work you do, Links?
I was train have wheel.
Followed by Links.
I want knock my door. I don't want nobody come knock my door. You know.
Alex. Alex, I knock you up.
Alex can't knock my door.
I'm saying work at airport.
Turn on your camera.
My God.
Links, how I see you.
Which one of them manly or songs?
I want to say me.
I rock up, sir.
Which one of them?
Nah, go to the man. Boy, me walk through because show something there. On Peter Philip place, like Vaso can't take the year there to me see I go on, man. Like Vaso poised to take it. Yeah, you know, look so strong again.
No, you have to can connect with young people, you know, resonate with old people, you know.
And there's nice work.
Yeah, man, Vaso work, man. Me like how they look. Vaso look like he can take it.
Him said Delta. That's a way. What Delta they
Delta airline him work with.
Delta Airport.
Where's
Delta
that?
airline. Delta airline at the airport him work with.
Oh. Well, at the airport you work, he said work at Delta Airport.
He don't work at Delta Airport, he work at Delta Airline. Delta
airline.
Is the
Airline,
inside.
It's not an airport, it's an airline.
Yeah, my cousin work with Delta.
Because at Delta, I fly upon often.
Look at that,
Man,
man.
work with Delta.
Delta airline.
Man, the same one when me da wait for that.
on Delta.
Wait, no, listen, man. Airport, my work. There was a which airport? He said Delta. You not see it?
Georgia, same that in Jamaica.
Georgia.
Hold on there.
In Jamaica.
No, that Jamaica for the same work. If I airport in work, airport. This is
Delta, Georgia.
I know some of my mother work at the airport at Georgia. I'm cousin work with Delta Airline. I work at the airport at Georgia with Delta Airline. Mike, the same one. Me and I drop at the hotel one there, yeah?
I'm over foreign.
Errol, man, you baby man now. I wind you up.
No, sir, I'm a baby mother and a friend. My baby mother is strong labor right. Andrew Holness and her mother are friend. My baby mother Captain Burrell, a cousin.
Okay.
Baby mother them have money, you know. I just the one where there with my daughter, mother, she the only crop. You don't even have a birth paper.
She had no crop because she give you a daughter.
And me give her a daughter.
But she bring it.
She may eat it.
Every dollar she get got a gambling table. Only bar work alone she want. She never want to take it. She going to want 15 to 18 program and never come out to nothing. And when me I try to turn her into something, she still not want that. Hard to learn, head tough. You know the PNP them still. My daughter, she for pack her bag till she come at the hotel, and when you look, the title she give my daughter, the waistline fringe out, I'm call her and ask her. A washing machine do it, nothing wrong with it. Tell her, say, girl, go suck out your mama. And tell my daughter, say, go upstairs and put on one of the shorts when your cousin bring for you and go into the pool. Yeah, why the PNP them stay so? Them like embarrassment. Yeah. I'm mad. Yes, I'm go. Merlin tell you. I go over Mama Son live and text something down in the comment section. After the woman realize that somebody from over Merlin live, woman me. She never want to hear me. She realize I'm the pastor over here. We are baptize our people. Them.
Boy, I go on live as me click on it. I'm hear the woman say, see labor right now, come like you know my face out. Man, me click at the same time, and I'm gonna make you say a second word.
No, them watch you, man. Them
Yeah,
have
can you
full
say
phone.
me they must now live, look at them black me fan them live, period.
You know, so I never go on our live. Me always like come click on it. Me always listen a little bit and then me stroll. Me never go on our live. Because me don't want to go on that woman live because she's very disrespectful. Me don't want
say, hey, big pussy boy, suck your mother. Me say, here me I send a barrel. Here me I send a big red barrel. Understand yourself and come out of the comment section. Big up yourself.
But me know somebody can just get up and just talk. Boy, me can't
he's just a cuss, he's just horrible. Me don't know people listen to him, you know?
No, sir.
I swear.
That's big red barrel.
He come like them afraid.
Big red barrel.
All over the pan our life, then come like them afraid her.
No, sometimes
some tell her,
like negative.
Me love fat woman. Me love fat woman. Me don't know how to classify you as you're not fat.
Yeah,
you
man, they come like them afraid her,
barrel.
man. You come like them afraid her. Come like our woman with them afraid her.
Some people just love negativity.
You love excitement.
When you touch your heart, me. Touch my heart, me. Up there, so when you just come in out the box, my heart, me.
Let me tell you something. If you love excitement, you're excited. If you're not excited, your excitement don't make no sense. What is it called?
Come like them afraid of migrant.
You just come touch the heart, me. Guys, you don't touch the heart, me, and they're gonna some gift. They're gonna want to do one up now.
No, come on, man. I time for no send Merlo and Lion, man. I wanna do. I want dolphin. I don't know nothing about TikTok, you know. I just dep on TikTok, I swear.
Oh God.
Let me see Danet start my life, so I go pan here, Danet. I don't know nothing about TikTok.
I don't know nothing about TikTok. I just dep on and choose me always watch me little King Calvin live and me start just watch him and start the top and then now me start to see Merlin and say, you know, I start to listen to her and I say, all right, jump on the line.
I like listen to King Calvin, you know, I like listen to him.
Yeah, you listen to him?
Yeah, man.
Me and come from the same place.
Yeah, me like listen to him.
Me and come from the same place.
I fits forever,
and he mother, and he family them, are straight green people them.
You know over here. My nice, clean friend.
True me I drive. That's why I know the nice, but me I go and listen me on my way home. Good evening, everybody. Shower
every time.
Shower labor right.
Merla, when are you back to school something? And when are you back to school something?
So all you just
Anytime
arrive
now.
at from man, me send you an
Anytime
invite.
now for the first, me that say what me that drop right in the first week.
It's a go on right now, but
Depends that go on right now.
Yeah.
Alright, me want do a thing, do so, but me I tell you, Merle, and I hear something alone. You know, we have own things. You understand? You have to help out a situation in Jamaica too.
I know.
It's a from man in the same call, you know.
But me the dep on one life where you the dep on not too long. One boy come over there.
Oh, the one that me have to rub off.
Yeah, but me I listen, but show me your work and show me the one the nice work
I
time.
told me
But
now, I see somebody up in the box, you know, but you me never have my glasses. Over Riley.
Me daddy and you raise them up. And me I say, yeah, Errol.
Boy, now have no manners, man, and him lie.
All the girls, she will come with 2 questions. Me love how you run her.
I said, oh, you have 2 questions and it done 20. She not like
she
two things about
what she not
Andrew.
like what the Prime Minister do.
And it reached
and the
20
2
Merlin.
things come to where she has said the people them shouldn't take a lot house. You know, so it's a dirty bad man, girl. She said she have a house already. And somebody a get house and you don't like that.
What she said the people them shouldn't take the house?
Them
She alone to live in a house.
What is wrong?
Oh,
she said she have much care of her house, you know,
yeah.
and she
And
said
the school
the
fee
people
high.
them, yeah, the people them should have shame to take the house them. You ever see that, go sir?
And mad people them
how much of a PMP you can be to the point where your own Jamaican people them I get house. And I tent them I get her an umbrella. House. And you say the people them should have shame. Oh, you for shame of a house. Then me no. Could have shame of getting a house? Something like a house.
You mad?
You know that for shame. Come on, man.
I talk about your own 3 car.
And
I one of them get a $10,000 ticket.
She want to pay a free school fee. Her own 3 car house. And she a complain about her pay the school fee.
And her man pay it. And the penny father pay it and no she.
I saw PMP like
I saw PMP stay. I saw them stay.
So we tell her say if she have a problem,
if she have a problem
with the Skype, she got a Ministry of Education and make a complaint. Where the Ministry of Education?
Them can't go because the people them going want to know what them asset is. You understand?
Come people
so
keep
that's why them can't go.
We're almost there.
Alright, make her reach at 270 now. She too bright out harder and then I go let me say something man done. Let me see the woman say now say nothing and run. Nothing you not say and run.
Guys, them always come under this guys and feel like them can put down our Prime Minister or put down the Greeky G do this, Marky G do that. Tell what Marky G do. Just come tell them the good things there.
Yeah, the boy make JA over there. And JA make the boy and make him a switch up him card. But you say one thing, him not answer. You go for another thing and him a running after that. And you say, oh boy, how you there and make the man come tell you about that and him not answer your question. Make him answer your question before you move on to the next question.
Can't every labor right can hold them argument and keep the narrative. It's like them want they make the PMP them bully them.
I'ma say all you DJ Riley make the man there bully the man there and now say nothing like, hey, I want me to talk to you from over Merle, what you feel do? Him about go like you walk come and say me I go like I go you for go and me live your say no, you know nothing about me man. But Annette girl look better than Tibali girl. Me say which part? Where?
But at the same time, them say Bob to why them don't try to email them leader or contact them leader about it? Why try to come here?
Angela Brownberg $28 million. Me say, hey, boy,
yeah, but why them don't try to instead of comparing the place with other places? Why you don't try to contact on a leader and show on a leader the right thing? No one want Andrew for go clean up. We do clean up place. We do not ungrateful self.
Clean up a PNP community and then them still have a vote PNP.
Yeah.
Half a PNP
And
don't
them
get the
still
money
go
to
set.
clean it.
No, and them still go down, do nothing.
Them a go say them leader do
Them say
it.
the PMP them want him down there, no mama. Tits. Them say the PMP them want him down there.
I know that we are talking about Merle. We are talking about the people them who hate Andrew and I talk about say Andrew for do this, Andrew for do that, and still attack say Andrew now do nothing.
I wouldn't mind the people them get help still because we are all Jamaicans.
Why
You understand?
my workless? One of my workless cousin them down there get some help. Because them really need it.
Because I want to make the video about me a Bafan we have. So I want to agree with it for Andrew go help them.
Yeah, but they're Jamaicans. Whether P or J, we're all Jamaicans. But you know one thing to Merle, I want you to tell them in the video, because you have some people, when the Prime Minister go for go help them, because them are PMP, them are refuse the help, and I run him. You know that to Merle, you go in some community, them start to cuss the Prime Minister come in and him try to switch them and him try to change them. And I help him try. Some people stay so.
I'm driving my dog. He's supposed to help all citizens in the country.
Yeah, Errol, but you know when him go help, them are going to start protest and cuss. Say Andrew move in and him a try to change the, and him a play politics. Them a switch it. Them not going to say help him.
Actually, want vote, make him come. Them know say them want time. She want vote, make him come here. He's not supposed to go because in a film place, him give Burke money for do it and don't do it.
All right, watch out now. Me I tell you now, PMP full. Andrew, beg them 5 more year. The 5 year now up, you know. Him a work. Thing a farmer life. Hear them now. Actual election a come, why am I do it? Him say him a go do it before the 5 year up. Him a do it before the 5 year up. Why not complain about? When never hear say before the 5 year up, him a do it.
Everything him do is a complain.
Alright, if them a say that now, if him for going to them constituency go help them, what you think them a go say? A true election a come and him want the vote and them now vote for him. Him in there like an idiot now. And I say idiot,
no, because them do not know.
But I know them a complain. I know them a complain.
Some of them do not know that money granted. $28 million granted. House Angela Burke, them give Angela Burke 5 votes must say every year. I can't the 5 of them go give them now back to you know. All of them the $28 million she gonna take it and fix up back to you know.
But them not gonna do that because them don't want to say out of Andrew and our a JLP initiative make them get them ousted. Them don't want no initiative where have to do with JLP, none at all.
No man, there are people that will take it, man.
Yes, but Angela Brownberg don't want that.
She don't want a wicked woman. She keep them in a poverty down there.
Anywhere neighbor right name I go mention she don't want it.
Oh, and she don't do nothing. So what she better take the money then for?
I feel like Andrew for group up a team of people and go send them. Yes, send them out.
The Ministry of Health.
And go down there. You know, with Desmond McKenzie. So that if them need help down there, because regardless of what them are Jamaican too. You understand? And you can't change dirty heart, you can't change bad mind, you can't change wicked. But at the end of the day, if you can't help, if it's even one person out of the lot, maybe down the line, them people will grow and say, you know, say, I never PMP come help my mother. You understand what I mean?
They want the toilet, man. Them tell it, them not gonna run them out there. They will tell the people, them will tell the toilet. They want the toilet.
When you want
anyway, you go, listen, anyway, you go in a Kingston and I give people toilet, them take it.
All she there in a parliament a beat and a carry and go on. She don't see that?
No?
No, she
want KSSC money. She want KSSC money.
But she doesn't care. She doesn't care. And the people them must down there and sister this woman don't care for it. Probably 1 and 2 man could get one little piece of envelope of money and that's it.
Ministry of Health, nobody knows to say the people them now know if they fucking nothing. Everybody, it just ignore just so? No, man. We have to do better as Jamaicans. We have to
Them
do
just a
better.
highlight it, you know. So I
No,
hope them
it
get some
takes
help
a long
soon.
time and people know, you know, and the government know.
Now the government, PMP government did know.
You understand? But the situation bad.
Mm-hmm. Today what, Tuesday?
Hey, you know, sir,
Yeah.
them build on back road, right pan trail line, that's for going to see you. And when you drive pan there, the scent where come from round at the back to the center of the swamp. It's not normal. It's not normal. When you turn off a Marcus Garvey drive on the trail line there, so and go straight to one bridge there. We go straight in a sea view. Shortcut for going to sea view.
Miss some of the blogger them a ball out them throat and a disrespect Andrew. Why them don't get together since them is such a great PMP? Why them don't get together and help in them people there? Because them are all one. Blood and fire.
And the 254 them accept. Instead of them collect $250 million.
And them little something that them fear try to do if them see a situation like that. And as PMP, you say boy, it don't look good, come could take shame out and come together. No. We're not up in Andrew buying all.
And I need the bottom of Andrew Clark, them a force themselves to go. But them remember say green.
Boy, I don't know what to say. The situation sad and them really need the help. I'm not going to tell a lie. Them really need the help.
You gotta do it, man. Because from last time I did the video, but you never feel good. I'm definitely gonna do it tonight.
Yeah, man, them need the
Well,
help.
Merlinal, when they hear them here, you say, Andrew Holness, me I beg you, go down back to go help and send Mr. Tufton, go down there. Please, me I beg you. Them a Jamaican see not because them there on the other side. At the same branch, the same tree, but a different branch.
Me don't know, say that me gotta talk, man. Me don't know.
Yeah.
Me I beg.
And tell them, say, when
Merlin.
the help come, trying about run them and talk about people
Merlin,
and try
you have to make that one intelligent. You can't make that nice and make your head hurt. You have to talk calm and smooth.
Me know say me have to talk. No, man.
Merle, no, man.
You have to talk intelligent, calm and
Nobody
smooth.
now try switch them. I help Andrew now buy no vote.
So when them come, me no want to come out, come say them can't come in the career, come in there by force. Career have to come in there, come check the place.
I don't know, vote where I look.
I don't know, vote.
Because we are going to
no one give a vote, but we have to come fix down there. Because the people don't complain and say them are passing a bus and the whole of down the thing.
Help need it can not Jamaican. I don't know, vote where I look. Help where help or no.
And people from down there make video put out viral.
And people from down there, but them see the video.
Yeah.
And when I say the people them there, they are not near to them. That means them want it for true. Because when I say not near to them.
Ball out for help. It's true.
As well him that say, I must some bad man family come out. Because when I say nothing to them. They want the help.
Sometimes due to how some people live, you know, other people see how you live and treat you that way, you know. And then say you as a product of what them see, you know. You understand what I mean, Merle? You come from certain community and it looks certain way and stay certain way. People will deal with you away, you know.
Yeah.
And then say you is a product of it, you know, and just look help you want, you know, for uplift yourself and you is a good person. Because good people come from them community, the bride picnic come from out of them community. But it just dampen people's spirit every day. You leave out of the community and for come back. Look up it just run out in the road. She not even look. Mighty God.
Them say you feel look.
No, not me. I want car. Me park up in front of my house, but she run across the road and the adult them sit down right there and they even say the little pitney and run out in the road and the car go run. For God forbid. Yeah. You understand what I say, Merle? Yeah. Them need the help. Them need the help, honestly. You understand? And sometimes you could have left dressed up in a uniform, gone to school. Hard for sometime you learn. Because you know the situation for know, so when you go home, you don't even have a toilet for do the inner if your belly cut you as a picnic.
You ever come out and do it in a chimney and stay in
Come on, man, I dig hole and them
Kids,
something
imagine you have a family down there, you go link them.
and your belly cut you.
And your belly cut you. You have to jump over the steerings and take off.
Come on, man, and some do can't wall. And every belly cuttings you can't wall, all the way tight now.
The banana one and the curry one. And the full rum with curry.
You can't. Some of them they can't wall.
Murder!
Oh, and that me I tell you.
The box milk one.
Talk about the ice cream one. When you eat the ice cream and I eat nothing for the day. I'm going to eat one ice cream and your belly cut
Then
off.
me not going to eat one salad with the man. I'm going to eat the salad with the salad dressing, man. And me I tell you, say my belly cut me and me I tell you, say, me have to stand up and drive.
That happened to me.
Say, and you don't know, so when me reach near me yard for go turn, no one funeral that I pass, me say a lie you not tell today. Me say a lie, that Jesus. I want funeral that I take it time.
The kids are there after 3 this Sunday.
No, me not there Jamaica. I wish me not come yet. I see when him call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because me come work, you know, but me I wait for him for calling.
Report more?
No. Merle way. Kingston.
A Kingston, me there, but a Portmore, me other there. Me I go stream live from Portmore. Robert Miller and Terry Long place.
Alright, you work in election, you work?
You know,
No, me not work in election. Me stop them something a long time. I used to teach indoor and outdoor agent worker.
Oh.
You know, me know somebody I try get to Terry Long and it's so hard. Them go up all the office, talk to them counselor. Them want go for help to get on the program that we are going on, the solidarity. And it coming like
as long as I know somebody on them, easy to get to.
It coming like a friendship thing.
No,
I
it's
feel
easy
so
to
sorry
get
for
to
the
because
woman.
somebody has sabotage.
Yeah, then the woman a message me this morning. I feel so bad for the woman because she really need the. And them a tap labor right when we go vote and them something. And the woman really need the help. When I tell her she need it.
It's easy to get to Terry Long.
How we attack? The one, how should let me attack? The one our thing, how should let me attack again?
No, one woman contact me and say if me not know she always on the live and stuff and she said she need like a help from Terry Long place. But me forgot go up on him page to say if me see him number listed. Me forgot say if me see him number.
Yeah.
Because them have one number where them give out with public,
she
you know it.
Waterford?
Christian Penn.
Christian Penn, I don't have to up that side because up that side there. If she never she can't get to Terry Long.
That me I say she never have him number. The woman.
No, but from Christian Penn come back down to Independence City, it's easy to get to him.
Yeah, man, say always step on him bicycle.
And me have my council number. Me have my MP number. Me have my council number.
You have my MP number. And my MP and same phone.
Now what you know, I got my virgin father. And in here, say me there. He walk come over and I say a long time I hear about me and him just a meet me. Every day, man. I'm there reason I say good for me. I say me go there boss. I say entire there boss. Let do be know. Because Sicily's son and them you the power where deal with big round. You know?
You cross the JLP.
Because you see what I think, me not really not ears. Me nobody know me. You know why you know say yeah, you hear about me and me are the man and that is that. Yeah. You know? My track record there for sure my work for the party and what him understand is this. you know have to be labor rights to work with you. As if even PMP and the local bushing, debushing work come, you are the first on the list as long as you're willing to work. Because there are rules that we work by, you know. They said, me tell you, say, this have to chop to that there your labor right, you don't want to do it. And the PMP man will do it, me give him the work.
Yeah, true.
So I'm not going to make you, the labor right man, come sink me and make the work not pass.
That makes sense.
So you when me go to my Lee office and him secretary at but you can't go around there and say, behave yourself, man. And I tell him, say, call Mr. Lee. Come Mr. Lee, say, when you see him come, Herald this from Westchester, make him come in. What go on Herald? I say, yeah, man, the work done in a speak up on the phone and him just pass my check. I got change it and give the people them for them one.
Keith.
Because I got office and municipal office and less. My work done.
Keith.
You see me?
Keith.
Because George Lee, before him pass away, him deal with both all PMP and Labour right vote for him as mayor, but we vote for a councillor as councillor. The man whether voting as mayor, him go like him more than people and can disrespect people. And I remember who put him there. Because our municipality, you know, you vote for mayor different from councillor, you know.
Oh.
You see me? Yeah. So the councillor, the mayor, him did forgive me a work, you know, because I tell him, say, I want to get more, I not sell a town again, and he say, I don't want to get fall. You know, the shutter business too deep. You see me? And the man promised me, I don't give me no work, you know. After him win and turn me, and I'm say, all right, you cock up down your house at Elch and say, election day now. And I say, what go on, Mr. Hines, Lennox Hines. And I say, what go on, Mr. Hines? Not no on Lennox Hines. Lennox Hines was the man who run for MP. But you see me on the Edgewater side. You see me? Not about the next Hines now. We own the pesticide company. I call him name, bro. You know, I'm not afraid, you know. He live at Elsha own the pesticide company. And him trick we as youth, I tell me, say somebody will be numerate and turn them in a labor right. Me forgot to for one piece of food. I said, nah, man, your man, you have to go in your pocket and give me. I not go to nobody for nothing. You're sick in the head. You think me a second and me original. And I say, you see, you know what better by the day if you done. You find out, say, you don't have a mere seat to sit down in. And then when the night come now and him say, the ballot them account, and him a go lose, he him to me, say, Errol, I go on. I say, I tell you what I go on from morning. Mean people don't have no space in kind people place. You see me take?
True.
And when Mr. Lee a pass now, and I see everybody now, hear him now about, oh, we are PMP. We say, no, we are PMP, we are people. We are people. You know how much work we work and him come reap the benefit. The first time him run for me and him win. You know how much man that we run against George Lee and holiday come and debushing work run and I be a new people I get it. People when they come from our place I come talk about and them I run debushing work. That fool you take people for. Eh? I murder my cousin Reedy, right at Newland, that's at the stoplight. Right at Southborough stoplight, that's on our vehicle. You know, all them man that work for the Portmore municipality. And as the man pass off, so you start take everybody for fool. Because you did afraid of Reedy.
Errol.
Yeah.
Sunday where you say, half a tree them go there?
Yeah.
Also at the big meeting that?
Yeah. I want to tell you say every meeting not big meeting.
No. Me no mean so. Me mean like all of the move from your son go look at work, man. Sure.
Enter you go on the meeting them and say all of the 60 member of parliament.
Yeah, that me mean. All of the candidates them go there
Oh
Sunday.
yeah, everybody are there half a tree.
So you know a bingiling time.
Yeah, you have one woman say boy she go sell something, so I don't understand. I don't know how she hear somebody on Merlin platform say them going to sell Bell and now she want to send down Bell. They're foreign to want to send Bell come to sell.
To me that I mean sell the Bell them.
Yeah, but you have somebody here over on next platform about them want to send down Bell to sell too.
Lord God, them bantering.
You see me? Yeah man, the Bell them will sell man, all you have to do is just send them down to somebody just. You see me?
Let me track them now.
The amount of labor right there must celebrate them, sister.
You're lucky. Them never have hand for sale. And that may I tell you, me want some more reach down.
I know I can't find my Bell in Merl. I don't know where my Bell is.
Hey, people thief Bell hard in the area. They didn't know that?
I did lend somebody one Bell one time, you know, and when time them got a conference, I told me never go. I know me not get by my Bell, me ear say, them can't. I say me you can't find my Bell.
Alright.
If you borrow my Bell and you tell me you can't find my Bell, you have to go to Sangstars bookstore to buy about my Bell. And that Bell I one Bell when me did, you know, from school I take one that Bell through me did love politics. I'm town school, I take that out at Clover Thompson office, you know. Because what she do with Bell when time she put in when name here? The alarm thing.
As you enter my house, you see one statue with finger and one bell side eye.
Ball for my wing.
You not have to ask no question as you pull my door and enter my house and you look. You know what time it is.
A boy there, every minute him come with him friend them, you know. And him know say him family them live here, so you know that boy they working my idiot, you know.
Guys, on the top of the screen, I'm just got the 300 and done. Top of the screen, guys. Guys, on the top of the screen. We soon reach it, man. Top of the screen.
So Merle, when them tap the screen and come about TikTok, you know, and so what happened?
We get more, you know, we go up in a
okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Go up in a ranking, you know, when it go up to 300 and you know, more people can get to see you and come over. You know, you want to go up in the rank later, the daily ranking, you understand me? LA Lewis come put me up in the ranking, but me so far.
Him tap. Me never know him come over here.
Yeah. Come over here one day and say me love you know, me like your breast them, you know. One will pass something him go on with and him come back.
So how him look at Labour right? And him Prime Minister.
Remember same love Juliet, you know. Remember same love Andrew.
Me say.
They start same love Juliet. And nobody, instead of the Prime Minister can't stop that love, yeah. All the way you not listening when
yeah, but I lie my tell from the woman, but him and her did there.
Lord, Andrew knows nothing of us. And L.A. Lewis.
LA?
Yeah,
LA Lewis. LA Lewis of PMP.
Attack LA Labour right. Errol, LA Lewis mother storm Labour right.
No, me don't say mother, him talk. Him say mother Labour right. Him talk.
LA Lewis LA Lewis not PMP.
Yo, you know like Andrew. And you know yet Andrew, you know.
You know yet Andrew does Juliet him and say Andrew take away Juliet from him.
And don't talk already, so Andrew gone with the election.
Him don't talk already.
But everybody see it and know. Me have one uncle who talk back in PMP.
You know what?
And my uncle, when you hear my uncle talk, my uncle tell you the plain truth. And him tell you the God truth. Him say, Andrew, I go win. And him tell you the truth. Say, me don't want my win because they are money hungry. And my uncle, a big businessman, investor in the country. And when you hear him say so,
my forever.
But baby father say now win.
Uncle them alone say Andrew I'm Mark Golden going.
My baby father say Marky G can't win this. No,
Yeah,
win.
But me don't know one to the screen.
Where picture where you show with KD night? You need to repost. Repost you already?
Man, I have it.
You need to repost it. Every day you get up and repost it. Congo people here talk. Me never see it, you know. No. But me see it now. Me see it now when you show it. When you show it today, me see it.
So the man
You
ugly.
need to post it, man. Correct, no more want it, you know. You can put it on your page.
Mighty, but me never see up on TikTok. Uncle Merle TikTok never see up. Me never see a post up nothing, Mighty.
This.
You Mighty? Mighty. Mighty. Mighty must have gone.
Let me see where I find the report spot. Is it true? No.
Me tell them, you know, me tell them some more goal in.
Just press on the repost button.
Yeah. You see the crowd where you see them are grown with all mouth. Are the only crowd ain't got.
It's not even a matter of crowd. Let me tell you something, mums. You have a lot of people, a lot of PMP also, we can't talk who them are going to vote for. You also have a lot of business people. Tell you have a lot of business people who benefit with business since Andrew in. You see, my uncle is an investor and build house. He's a builder at Jamaica and he's a PMP. And I said the most money he make is under Andrew. And right now, him work with the Prime Minister wife. Them do business. And him tell you plain and straight. Because him out there and him hear the ears. The ears of other businessmen. And PMP now win.
Man,
you understand? Because
Andrew
is good for the economy. He will tell you, Andrew is great for the economy. And good things are going in Jamaica, you know. You can't stay there.
Hold on, them. You know, Sagled, Wagwan, Sagled. Sagled, Wagwan.
Guys, tap up the screen, make we just go the tree. So I'm gonna say me repost some. I'm gonna say me can repost some.
My scheme, them youth that come from, you know. Sagled, Wagwan. Christopher Maitland, from me see that name, them you know how. That face the car, I say him look from we young. Sagled, Wagwan. Yo. That's it. Start out that for real. Yo. Start out that for real. Sagled, Wagwan. Wagwan, Sagled. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm there, man. Yeah, man, I know, man.
Yeah, man.
Overseas with it.
Real man, me there, man. No matter house.
Oh.
How will a person that come up? Hello,
I'm a friend that I'm a classmate, a labor right. Mother a labor right, father a labor right.
Background. The
Real
person
man,
that to make sure to take them down.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Overseas, me there, man. Overseas, me there.
Me know from them time they go, man. That me a sell a town.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me a Alice still link up. Ali come link me more time.
Oh. Long time, I don't hear from him still, but his mother drop out.
Yeah, you know, you're from Naval.
No.
Okay, now but I feel like wife. But Marvin link me more time.
Oh.
You know what's
Me have Marvin.
That's how we're born.
Me have Marvin number, but it get miss up.
Alright, just follow me. I follow you. I make you get it back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Marvin link me more time.
Alright, so far, you know.
Ed, as a labor right, and you're the overseas, what would you see your Prime Minister doing for your island?
Hello. My Prime Minister cannot lose time at all.
You hear that?
And
No
what you
time
think
at
about the
all.
school buses them and where my
100%.
Them money go to school with all lunch money. At high school, them money go. And them money never qualify. Not bring with you. And respect.
Yeah, man. I want you the bands it up here, you know. January got the jump crowd up your back, you know. Tivoli bands.
Them money play for Tivoli bands.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
And
basic school to primary school.
Them a come back up January again. My boss can't lose, man. Never. Yeah, die-hearted. Never. I look at King Street, my born and growing up.
I want labor right, man. You say me go to school. If you hungry, we hungry.
Vote though.
No, man. I send down my thing, man. I send down my thing already, man. It's out of south. Out of south it there. I'm my baby mother.
You send down your vote?
Yeah, man. Long time.
Yeah, man. Tell him I come down from vote. What if I memories of having a it?
Yeah.
We never fight yet, you know. Not even a small grudge.
Okay.
Not even a small grudge. All of the money we hear me call them name. Make him tell you, we never have never a small grudge.
For real, man.
Never quarrel. Be a laughing.
And gimmicks.
You see me? And no man, no fight.
Yeah, man.
I mean, you know what a Joyce in the Japan.
Yeah, man, I know that, man.
Me take care of you dead, you know, and alive, you know.
Yeah, man, I know that, man.
Me take care of you.
You remember Sophia?
Sophia from Water Street?
Yeah, what do you mean I talk? I'm tired of them, yeah, man.
Me too should come one time and come link me and the one I follow go look for somebody.
Yeah, man, she down there what year and come back up.
Hey, man, what go on?
That's what you have bad girl, you know. Two of you
man.
Remember, you know me always keep a collection of everybody name.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, Diamond.
I share when you know me to come. Aberdeen from Kingston, Jamaica.
Thank you.
Yeah.
She don't go look for somebody down at Water Street.
Okay.
But she don't understand the ground where it's still. They go from the war. She never really come back.
Yeah, man.
But you know how I like either get away this, you know, to politics, you know.
Exactly.
I want some man go like them want to come tell me about Rima.
No. Them can't tell you that, man. Rima come like your backbone, you know. And them on town.
Place in a group, you know.
Yeah, man. And the boy Juki Jam want to get to start.
You can get him on Facebook and Instagram. Rima for
What
life
do you
in
about it
there.
now? Come on.
Rima for life.
Rima Spice?
Rima for life. Yeah.
Oh.
And if you can't get to him, you get to him, brother, a little more and get a number on the road.
When I go on, when I go on there, you get to the number.
Yeah. I know say mother the drop out.
Yeah man, me down there man, me got the funeral, you know.
I never see her.
Yeah man, I got the funeral, but you know, when I go to the funeral, I go to the service, and I left and got a country, me and my wife.
No, I never got the service. Me wait for it to pass through.
Yeah, me got the service and cut.
Me wait for it to pass my yard. Me top off my building, my walk and me a pen. Why me not tell a lie still? Hears them come.
So it go ahead now. So it go ahead. Yeah.
Three influence that in a school, you know. The scam Fisher and Chris.
You know, so Chris drop out though.
Yeah man, me know man. I'm funeral.
Yeah, me never go up here, me there with me here.
Yeah, me I tell you.
Sometimes I don't want to talk. Sometimes I don't want to talk about everything. I remember and some things that come back to you know.
Boy, that's how it going up. All over parents never have it, everybody go to school, see them every day.
Never give up, you know?
And I like now where things are abundant and the people them no want to send the people them to school.
You see, never give up.
You can't go in a school unless school fees pay when we are by school.
Exactly.
Now them get the opportunity to walk through school gate all when school fee not pay.
Anywhere parents have get it, she have to get it. If she not get it, the MP have to come look for her for when we go in a school.
Remember, see I go used to give out uniform, man.
Remember that?
We get it.
I've him come and say one hour on the road and ask so we not go to school, you know, it's a problem that.
Yeah, man.
Come and look for what I say, boy, I can write a book about West Kids, son.
Yo, the things that what we see, you know. The things that what we see, me.
Yeah, I love to see where I go down the place still at Jamaica still.
Yeah,
the
man.
boss are doing things, you see.
Yeah, man. Alright,
boss are doing things, man.
Some new hospital that's you know.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, in front Sunny Bakery, there's some new hospital.
Yeah, man, I see the place, I see the house in the form of cup, man.
See the house in the form of cup, house I build there.
Yeah.
Because the house
you know what one of my neighbor called me and show me one place. Show me upon Natal Street. I think upon Natal Street I build up some house on Natal Street there so.
Man, the house come on Greenwich Street, you know, Victoria Street and Albert Street corner, you know. The latest house
right,
them.
Yeah, man, that's yeah. In that show me them. Yeah, man, show me them what they
are. Right down on Naval Yard, that's some people fun out.
Hold on. I want to make so much noise over here.
in a Saglet background.
And the one in the blue,
Oh.
Chris. And a Chris background.
Yeah, yeah, mute Chris. What back in mic?
Me I try to open it, but make him open it back himself.
Saglet, what me like? Saglet, that word.
And I look in a look corner, me there, in a look corner, me there. Me there spot the nice, but me there in a look corner.
The nice that we are here, the nice though. Yeah, the whole of the bangarang we are going in there. Loud. You have to mute your mic.
Alright, next time, you see, mommy.
Yeah.
Big up
nice.
yourself, you see.
Alright, big up yourself, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Now get that for you, follow me. Saglet, follow me back here. Make you get it later.
The age person, who this up here, sir? Hello? Odern. No answer.
You see that.
Diamond gone.
Look, sir.
I should never come up.
Diamond it up here, man.
Man, it up here. Oh God, I want 2 more pills to take. She gone,
Wow.
she gone. Yeah. Ooh wee baby. You can't bother. Oh God.
Yeah, Lena, some real run up and down, man. Them youth they do, you know.
Yeah.
Them youth they not born have things, you know. Them youth they born come achieve things, you know.
True. Like that.
You know?
I say, see me not grudge nobody for them have, you know. I say people struggle and come over them fear, what you gonna grudge them for?
Everybody they thinks that me that reach a foreign, you see them youth that reach a foreign, you know. Every man I wonder, oh, me not reach a foreign now, you know. And everything is set for me, you know. I never have foreign mind, because I don't get everything already.
Okay. Me used to a foreign mind. When I come and see the way when I come and see a foreign stay, no sir. Sometimes I don't mind if I drop asleep right now, I wake up in Jamaica tomorrow.
To my always here say you can't run out of salt and go to your neighbor. Say yo, the way me I do at them place there.
If you tell you.
Yeah? You have all your family and you have spent 1 week there. By next week you have to find somewhere go. You know the way me I do that stuff.
Well, so if you come here and work more money than them, then put you out.
You sleep on the couch and them while you pay half of the rent.
And sometimes you come pay the rent section 8, them living, section 8 house them living and you come pay the rent, them tell you say.
Them start tell you lie about how much is the rent. Them I tell you the full rent, you know. Say a that a half fight, you know.
Wicked. I couldn't wicked.
5 bills to the rent, them I tell you, yo, a 5 bills to half of the rent because I rent $1,000, you know. And when you give them the 5 bills, you know, you are pay the rent for the whole house, you know.
I can't talk my story, you know. But I'm not in the mood for talk it right now, it's too long. I say enough time I thank God for the look up of some man I have. Maybe a father.
Yeah, I saw a wall a shower. The man said last night a girl wall shower, man beard. They got him forgot to me a labor right wall shower.
Really, man. Can't give everybody them look at time, man. We come back and by what 6, 7 o'clock. What? No, what 7? We can't take a little break. You Cheryl? You happy?
Yeah, you don't work me there from the 2.
We can take a little break. You go now?
Yeah, you can do that.
We take a little break, man. When we come back here and everybody will see.
All right.
Yeah, man.
A little break, man. Everybody want everybody here. Man, look at free time, okay? Show up on TikTok and see what I go on. stroll and so on, anything new no come talk. I want to see me no more.